Alrighty, good morning everybody. Morning chat. Yo, yo. What up? What's good, everybody? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. What's good? How's everybody doing? Wick, good, hey Scott, what up, bro? Good morning, brother. Hey, yo, type a W in the chat. Everyone type a W in the chat, man. If you're excited, you're ready to go, looking forward to a good day. Go ahead, hit the chat with some W's. Spam the chat with W's. It's gonna be a good one today. We got unemployment claims. Yo, trade like Jose. See gamers in the building. Awesome. Let's get it. All right. Let me share, get all Zoom set up here. Yo, W's. Hey, don't forget to like the stream too, guys. That's how I found it. Oh yeah, guys, like the stream today. Give the stream a like as we get ready to get our party started here. How y'all doing today? Good? Nice, Kelvin. Good to see you here, man. Showing up every day, putting in the work, becoming well deserving of the reward, man. Let's lower this music a bit. What up, Green? All right, let me just. Yeah, if you guys could like the stream, that would be amazing. We'll get the stream out to more and more people. The New York session is just coming on here, so a lot of people are jumping on YouTube right now. They're trying to find a stream to attend. And if you think we got the best stream out there, then like the stream, so that way it gets shared with other people. And you know, we can help more and more traders as they become a part of our community. And just simplify this thing, man. Simplify. All right. All right, cool. So let's get started here. Let me hold on one second. What'd you guys do during the London session? Anything? Oh, bro, no top wig, real for oh, that's funny. Yeah, there you go. Look at that. No top wick, no entries, gang. It always looks so promising too on the left hand side. Always looks so promising, that fake out. Alright, we'll take a look at this in a little while. Let me just share the link and let's get this top-down analysis going. Big news today. Unemployment claims coming in here today. We got final wholesale inventories as well. Natural gas storage. So we got news throughout the session here today. We should have a lot of volume here today. It's Wednesday, and man, some of you guys were here on Monday when we did the breakdown, and what we talked about on Monday is exactly what we're seeing here. So let's dive into it a little bit. Let's open up gold, get the charts open here. I haven't looked at anything since Asian session, so let's see. Oh, this daily made a bottom wick. Some of you guys were able to avoid that fake out last night during the Asian session. I've seen that happen, but let's see, gold. Oh, look at this on the weekly, gang. Would you look at this, gang? Would you look at it? Just look at it. What did we talk about on Monday? What did we talk about Monday? Man, insane. Candles are so predictable. Oh yeah. Yesterday was Wednesday. I'm sorry. Today's Thursday. Yep. Yeah, man. We called this out, right? We called this out. We talked about this candle here closing with no bottom wick, and that how we should see the candle push down and close bullish. Some of you guys remember us talking about we would see two bullish candles here, and then Wednesday would be something pretty big, and that's what we got here. Now, one thing that I noticed here is that this weekly candle has this daily candle has no bottom wick. So yeah, yesterday when I opened the chart during Asian and looked at gold, because I was really excited about seeing the daily candle close, and I'm like, oh, perfect, close below, but really, no bottom wick. No bottom wick. So so we talked about this. We talked about all this happening. We understand where we're at in the higher time frames. Monthly candle is now back to bearish, right? This low will be the weekly low as well. If we do break those lows, man, there's a very high chance. Just look at this monthly time frame here, right? Just look at it. If we're creating a resistance, right? We came into this area. Looks like we're starting to create that resistance. Now, I think once we close below this level, we're going to have way more confirmation that we can now fill the range back down to 1825, right? Because once we get below there, once we get a closure below, then now you have super clean traffic to continue down on this monthly time frame for gold to really start to run, right? So we need a candle closing below, looking something like this, and then I do believe we could expect that next candle to be a bleeder, big time bleeder, and fill this range here. Right now, where we're at right now is a bit tough because we are in this range here, right? We're kind of chopping around now right in here. So we need to figure out where we want to go, and if we break the lows, there's a very high chance we will close below here, and then the next candle should be able to drive. But right now we're a little bit stuck. We do understand that we have just left this rejection area, right? Very high level of rejection here, and I would say all the way down to here. And that's why this closure below is very important on the monthly time frame. But we won't have that for quite some time, right? It's only the 8th of June, and we still have, you know, over 20 days left in this monthly candle, so a lot can happen. We could very well fill the wick and fill the range this month, as we start breaking those lows. So we'll see what happens here, but looking pretty good, pretty predictable. Let's take a look at the weekly time frame. Weekly, now we talked about on Monday as well that we may have a weekly seller replay here, right? Because we did close below here, and if we're closing below that support, there's a high chance we should continue down. We should continue down, you know, into these 1810 ranges. But again, there is also this this resistance right here. So we kind of are rejecting it. But if we do start breaking the low here, then that tells me that we should start to drive, right? For breaking lows on the weekly time frame after creating a top wick, this low right here should indicate volume, and you should see a push. Now, will we close below? We don't know, right? We may close back up here, doji, but we should see a really nice push with clean traffic to the left-hand side here, and that could happen today. You know, that could happen today, that could happen tomorrow. We have 2 days left in the week, today and then tomorrow. So now looking at the daily time frame, right? So going back to the daily, no bottom wick. We did close below these supports, but there is no bottom wick. This is the main area of support right here, bam. This one right here, and we closed right below. And man, that's tough, right? Last time we closed right above, candle pushed up, closed above, candle pushed up. You know, we did close below, but again, just like a 30-minute candle, if this thing closed but with no bottom wick, then we would be, in a way, forced to wait for the next one. Now, the good part about this is it is a daily candle, so there is also, you know, 1 hour, 30-minute ranges within this candle here. So that's totally fine, but you know, let's keep in mind that there is no bottom wick. Although everyone wants sells and oh my God, it would be amazing to catch a bleeder today. Let's not fail to recognize what the candles are really showing us though, because it doesn't matter what we want, right? It matters what price is going to do next. And this candle closing with no bottom wick is a bit sketchy, I'll be honest. So let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. So we are bearish based on the day. Just based off of this very strong closure here outside of this, you know, no bottom wick thing. But going down to the 4-hour, right? So this is the daily top wick that we've established so far. So you have 3 4-hour candles pushing up. We're coming into this range here. We don't know, do we want to reject this? Do we want to create a resistance here? Last time we did create a resistance, we were able to come back down, retest these lows, and maybe that's something that we can anticipate here today. Maybe that's something we can look to take our sells coming down to retest that support today. And we'll take a look at on the 1 hour and the 30-minute on how we could potentially get entries off that. Now, when it comes to buys today, I think buys are pretty clean above this level here. I mean, this was your first range. Let's get rid of this for a sec. Get rid of this square. This range was the range that we started off with, right? We had a support, we had a resistance, and looks like price came up, came down. So this gives you that range too, right? This is your new support. You have a new resistance. Anything above here is pretty clean traffic to continue up at this point on gold, especially with this candle closing with no bottom wick on the daily. We could anticipate buys to move up and fill this range here today, right? Just see these areas right here. We could expect price to potentially come up into this 1956 zone. So that's something we can anticipate happening. We've already gotten our range 2, right? Just remember, this is range 1, right? This right here, this is range 1. And then this becomes range 2. So this right here now gives us our range 2. Let's say a new support right here, right? Just where that resistance was, perfect. And now that's our second range. So range 1, right here, range 2. Oh, range 2. Okay, so anything above here at this point is pretty golden to fill this wick up here and take advantage of these levels up here to the left. So this is like what, 1956? So yeah, 1956, we're good to go. We just gotta wait for a closure above. And now sells are pretty good. You do have somewhat of a 30-minute or a 1-hour celery play here where we could potentially come down, but I'm gonna look to take my sells below here today, 1945, just because the candle did close with no bottom wick, and I'd rather wait for stronger confirmation so we can come down and fill this range here. So that's what I'm gonna wait for here today. If these are your sells, go ahead and take them. I'm not gonna take this celery play here. This is in the range for me at this point. So I'm gonna have a support right here, and I'm gonna have a resistance right here. And let's just take a look at the 30-minute time frame as well. 30-minute, yeah, it's a bit, yeah, probably right. Let's see, 1 hour. So you got a 1 hour support here, but if we go to the 30-minute, we have to adjust something here, right? So if we stretch this out, I guess we could say we have a support here. And if you get a closure below there, then you could take sells coming down. I think I'm just gonna wait for the NY open and probably just wait on this range to clear out today, because if we can get a breakout below here, then we have super clean candles to the left hand side that I love to take advantage of, coming down about 50 pip range. And then if we do get closures above, then you know we have a whole field to play in here today. So this range I'm probably just gonna stay out of. I'm not gonna touch these right here. It's just a bit choppy overall here. So I'd rather wait for the clean move, which is gonna be below here or above here today. So yeah, that is the deal. That's what's gonna happen. That's the plan for me. Going to stay completely out of this range today. It's going to be the red zone here for me. Going to be the no trade range, and then anything above is going to be pretty clean traffic coming up for gold buys after we've gotten a new range too. And then anything below here today is pretty clean as well. And then I'm sure we can continue down even further today if gold wants to actually break that daily low, break that weekly low. So pretty simple. Yep, that's it. So buys are going to be above 1948.524 here. Buys above. And sells are going to be below 1944. Oh yeah, 1944.844. Sells below there. Simple. All right, perfect. Cool. And that's the day there on gold. That's the day. So we'll see if we get a resistance here on the 4-hour time frame and continue down, because if we look, we had that resistance form here. Push down, we had a closure below here, push down. So I think if we do get a resistance here, then we should be good to continue down. And for me, that's going to lead to a close below, and then we'll take advantage of that clean traffic to the left. All right, let's see. Let's take a look at pound yen also here, and then we will have a chat. All right, so weekly time frame on pound yen. So very, very bullish, right? Very, very bullish here on GJ. Looks like we're coming into this area now. We'll see what happens. Are we going to reject? Are we going to continue pushing up? But overall, I mean, you break this wick here. There's very clean traffic here on pound yen on the weekly, and we did just we created a bottom wick here, so looking pretty good. I mean, you break the highs, you should be good to go. Let's take a look at the daily. So daily, the daily time frame closed above this level here. Right above resistance. So yeah, I mean, if we break the highs, there should be a strong push, at least coming up here. And if we break this wick, then we could be off to the races. Let's take a look to the left hand side on the daily time frame here. So okay, so you have a resistance right up here. So let's go back, take a look at what that is. So we closed above. So yeah, so this is basically the next range that we're breaking into. If we do break the highs here, you got about a 60 pip range coming up. Taking a look at the 4-hour time frame, you have a resistance right here. You have a support right here, and that's basically where we're at on the 4-hour time frame. So it looks like we've pushed up. We're coming into this consolidation area, starting to range a little bit, and I think once we get a breakout of that, price will be able to move pretty smoothly. Yeah, you see the 1-hour time frame, all very, very small candles. So for pound yen today, I'll probably look to take sells below 173.788 here, and you know, that way we could wait for a range 2 below there, and then we should be good to come down. Maybe wanna, yeah, below there should be fine. Let's take a look at the 30-minute, maybe adjust it just a little bit. And buys we could look to take above this resistance here to fill that wick. I believe that was like 20 something pips, 30 pips. So yeah, if we do break the highs here, we're breaking daily highs, and we should get a nice little, at least a 20 pip push to fill this wick up here. Yeah, that should be good. So daily target today would probably be 175 here, because if we look, that's kind of the range it wants to fill to the left. We'll go to the daily. Right, and then we have to see what it does around this area, but this should be the daily target. I think, let's mark this off as well. That may be, yeah, that may be the wick fill there. So yeah, perfect. So we'll probably look to take advantage of that today, which is this resistance up here. So we'll get rid of this, we'll put here, and that's probably just the range I'll look to take advantage of. I don't even know if I would take sells here today. We're pretty bullish, but yeah, we'll move our support up to here for now, and we'll see what happens at this level. What is this? 20 pips? Yeah. So yeah, we'll look to target this. If we break below this range, we'll look to target the support. So it's just the next range. And yeah, so I'm gonna look for buys above 174.363 and then sells below 174.015. And that is the day. That's the day. So now we wait. We got unemployment claims coming in at 8:30. Got a little bit more news after that around 10, and yeah, we should be good. So we'll see what happens. We'll see, what are they expecting here? A little bit higher numbers, pretty much similar, but we'll see what happens. We will see. Yeah, we'll see what's up. But yeah, I mean, if we can catch these this pullback here on these sells coming down, we'll look to target 1940, and then we'll see if gold wants to actually flip and start moving bearish on the day. But man, that no bottom wick just Just painful to see. If unemployment claim is higher, it's bullish for gold. Yeah, because there's less people unemployed. But no, bearish for gold because it would be good for the dollar. Those sells on GJ are range 2? Yeah, we're gonna look for range 2 sells below there. Yep. Or you could wait for clean sells below 173, the support here. I think that'll be a lot cleaner too. That's where we really had it originally, but if we get a range 2 below here, then I think I would consider taking those. So yeah, let me mark that up. Range 2 and then buys above. And there we go. That's the day. So now we just wait. We wait for either a close below here to go with the daily time frame and fill this range, or we wait for a close above here. We've already gotten our range 2. We came up, we created resistance, we came back down, we created support. If we do come up, we're obviously gonna have to create another support because we're breaking the lows here. So we'll see what happens at this 1944 level. If we break below or if we reject and continue to range until news. So that's kind of what we're looking at right now.
Hey, good morning.
Hey, yo, good morning, John.
What's up? Morning, chat.
Morning, morning.
What's good? How we doing?
Amazing, dude. Feeling grateful today.
Grateful.
Grateful for another day. I was literally, during my morning routine, I was just thinking about just everything in life. Like, man, I'm just grateful for it all.
Great blessing.
Seriously. Every moment. I was thinking about times when I was 16, 17. It's like, wow.
Yeah, what's good, chat?
Where are we putting John here? What do I think about the resistance? This one over here. I think somebody asked about the resistance. Uh, 1949 500. Yeah, I see it. I see it right here. Yep. Yeah. You could leave your resistance there. I think I'm gonna keep mine where it's at. I think if we get a close above here, we should be good to go.
Hey, good morning, Z Gamer. Morning, Futures. Morning, Pablo. Morning, Chandra. Morning, Rita. Morning, Bradley.
Morning.
Scott.
What do you think about only focusing on one pair? I think that is extremely smart. Smart thing to do. Smart thing to do. When you focus on one pair, it's like anything. You get to know it a lot better, right? If you do something over and over, you're gonna learn how to do it. The approach is gonna be a lot smoother. You're gonna understand how it works. So I think one pair is great. I mean, you know, go ahead, John.
If you trade one pair, you're gonna watch that pair every day. So you're gonna know how that pair moves, and you're gonna master that pair. So you're gonna really get to know that pair well too if you're with it all the time, every day, consistently.
Yep. Yeah, one pair is awesome, man. All you need is one pair. I mean, you know, it's good. You know, I used to look at a lot of pairs, and it really just confused the crap out of me, man. Like I used to, Matt, some of you guys, your watch list look like this. I can't do that anymore. I need clean one or two, just gold and GJ. And most of our trades are taken on gold, right? So we do a lot. Gold is my favorite pair. It's a good pair, especially if you're in the New York session. And like we always talk about, it's like dating someone. You know, if you date someone, you start to get to know them, you spend time with them, you go to dinner with them, you start understanding what they like, what they don't like, what makes them laugh, what makes them angry, you know, like you start learning your spouse, and that's kind of like a pair. But if you have a whole bunch of pairs, it's tough, right? Same thing, you know, some of you guys got a whole bunch of guys and girls, and I don't even know what you're doing, but how do you learn? How do you master one, right? You think she likes chocolates, but she likes candy, and oh wait, you like candy and you like you know, it's just, yeah, it can get pretty messy. So if you stick with one, you'll know exactly you know, what that pair likes to do, when that pair likes to do it, and yeah, you have a good relationship.
Yeah.
Can you explain range 1 and range 2, how to identify it? Yeah, you want to identify range 2 based off of the previous daily candle. So previous daily candle is bearish today. So that means that according to price action, we should be looking for sells. But if we are looking for buys, it's fine, but we just need a range 2. And if the previous daily candle is bearish, then we're going to look for the range 2 on the buys, not the sells. If the previous daily candle is bullish, then we're going to look for the range 2 on the sells and not the buys. And all a range 2 is just what you see here. So you have your range right here. Range. We don't enter on this candle. We don't enter on this candle. We wait for this resistance, and then we wait for that support, and then we get a close above there, and then we can go up. And what that'll do is that'll save you from being faked out. The whole reason this came up was to how can we avoid fake outs? How can we avoid getting, now we can't avoid all fake outs, but how can we avoid certain fake outs? Because we noticed every time we got faked out, or almost every time, it was usually going against the daily bias. It was going against the previous daily candle. So we said, you know, we might as well wait, and if we can get a second range to form, usually at that point we're breaking the highs or the lows as well of the daily candles, then we can go up, right? Because it just adds one extra confirmation to the trade. So that's the purpose of range 2, and you've got that here, but now we need to see a close above that resistance. So sometimes you'll miss out on a little pips, a couple pips if you're, you know, take the trade. It is what it is. It's much better than getting tapped out with a fake out hitting your stop loss, right? So that's the range 2. And that is, we've seen that over and over and over and over and over again save us from fake outs at this point. You know what I'm saying?
Sure.
Know what I'm saying?
Hey, yo. Know what I mean?
Hey, Sam.
Yo, good morning. Good morning.
Morning, Sam. What's up?
Oh,
Morning, pal.
Not too much.
How we doing?
Morning, buddy.
We're doing good.
Right.
Sam, I'm proud of you, bro. Wow. Improvements on improvements. My man's been in the game, putting in the work. And, bro, just by what you've been saying recently, I could just see the growth, man.
Oh, thank you.
Super proud of you,
For a second,
bro.
I was like, what did I do?
What did I do, man?
Oh.
Nah, your whole swagger, man, your whole demeanor is just different.
Bro, you're killing it, bro. 21 years old.
You were already killing it, but now you're really killing it.
Yep.
Thank you.
Sam's killing it.
I took an onion play. Why? It got break even. I took it on that 1 hour candle.
Oh, nice. Gold?
Yeah. So you just see that one, it made the support. Yeah, I took it on to break the high, came back, hit break even.
Okay.
I
Nice.
almost had 10 pips, so it almost was a W.
Gotcha.
It went up about 9, but with my spread, I was like 7.
So you took it on the break of this high?
Yeah, so like I took it, I believe it was like 410, and so then it almost came back and hit stops, and then it came back up again, and then the 30-minute close bullish, kind of like a doji but then it made a bottom wick, drove up again, and then the very last 15-minute candle, I was like, it has to go here, or I'm taking break even because this is the last candle for the 4-hour close.
Oh, so, yeah, I see. Nice. Yep.
But yeah, I put that one in the Discord.
Oh, okay,
there
cool.
was a couple of us, I think.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I mean, yeah. So that's what
it just looks super clean, right? Like, obviously after those candles had printed.
Yeah. So that's why I usually because what I'm looking at is the range, right? The range that we had.
Right.
And now
so
we
it's
needed
kind of
that
like a breakout on the 1 hour because.
on the 1 hour, yeah. But now look, now that you have the new range, like you have the new support, resistance, and now support. I mean, although we broke the low obviously now, but this is probably now once we get a closure above there, now we should be good to go because we attempted it here, we broke it, and now if we could retest it and hold it, then we should be good to continue up because that's going to be our range 2 breakout now.
And then the 4 hour candle should be bullish too at that point.
Yep. And hey, if we break below here, then guess what? There's very high chance now we're going to continue down. If we've attempted this and then Wick rejected it twice and then closed below support, then we're probably going to fill the range. So we'll see.
Yeah.
We'll see.
That's money. That would be money.
But at the same time now, also if we do close above this high here, and you guys could, yeah, I do like this high over here. If you close above that because you rejected it here too, then we got clean traffic all the way up now.
Yeah.
All the way up.
Yeah, I do like that.
Yeah. So we'll see. There's a lot of opportunity here today for those that are willing to wait. And those that are willing to just sit tight and wait for their trade to come right to them. A lot of opportunity.
Just gotta wait on it.
Yeah.
Oh.
Just gotta wait on it. What you're doing.
Say it every day.
Say it, kid. Be disciplined.
Say it every day. Patience and discipline, and follow your plan.
Yeah.
You will win today.
Yep. Yeah, what I was gonna say is what you're doing in here is you're making a decision, right? Gold is this right here is where gold's gonna make the decision of do I want to break up today or do I want to break down today. But if we stay out of this range, it's totally fine, because if you're in the range, you may get caught up in the back and forth, the bickering of what we're going up. No, we're going down. No, we're going up. No, you know what? We're just going sideways. You guys want to keep talking? We're just gonna go sideways. We're gonna go sideways. And then I don't want to be involved in that decision making. I want the decision to be made, and I want to either go up with it or I want to go down with it. I don't care which way. I'll go whatever way the market wants to go, but I don't want to be a part of their back and forth in this range, deciding what it's like a husband and wife right now. They're just deciding what they want to eat tonight. What do you want to eat? I don't know. What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? I don't know. What do you want to eat? You want to go for pizza? Yeah, pizza sounds good. Pizza? Nah, you know what? I don't want pizza. I'm thinking maybe we'll get Chinese. All right, maybe Chinese. No, you know what? So I don't want to be a part of that. All right? I just want to be like, all right, here's the keys to the car. Let's go. And that's it.
Yep.
That's all. Go get the food, man.
Yep. And sometimes, we'll come to the charts and we'll have to wait for a range 2. And then sometimes, like today, the range 2 is already formed for us.
Yep.
So clear buzz.
Yeah, exactly.
I just want to say good morning back to everyone in the chat. Good morning, Zulu. Yo, I like that, by the way. Uncle Sam.
Uncle Sam.
I started texting. Futures yesterday, good morning. Chandra, good morning.
Chandra.
Good morning, everyone else.
Good morning. Futures yesterday. Hey, yo. Yeah, hey, if you guys could like the stream, that'd be great, man. We got like 400 people here, but only 120 likes. Those are rookie numbers, chat. That's like so 3 months ago. Come on, team, we can do it. Just hit the like button.
Like it up.
Like it up, word. Like it up, chat. Everyone just give the stream a like. Would you like it up? Or would you like it up? I think you explained it more simple for me yesterday when you said range 2 is just a break and retest. Yeah, it's simple. now I can say I'm confident in my knowledge on range 2. There you go. Yep, all it is remember, you just need a new resistance and a new support, and then break the resistance. And if you're feeling froggy, you can maybe enter the onion off the support. If you want to wait for the safe entry, wait for the closure above resistance. And again, that all goes down to, hey, what time is it? You know, what time is it? When's the next time of volume? When's the session open? What's going on, right? Is there news? You know, there's a lot that goes into it, but it's not that hard. You know, in the beginning, it may be a little difficult. It's like, just like anything, right? The first time you guys ever drove a car, you know, you had your hand on the steering wheel, you know, now you got these 2 pedals, or if you're driving stick, you got 3 pedals down there. So you had this, you know, shifter, you got to put it in drive, right? You got to check mirrors, like you got to do all these things. But now when you drive, it's just second nature, right? You just jump in the whip and just go wherever you're going. But in the beginning, you know, it's a bit, you know, you got to get used to things. It seems like there's a lot going on, but, you know, eventually it just becomes fluent for you. So same thing in the market, same thing with showing up. And that's why showing up every day is just so important, right? Consistency demolishes everything, right? Rock will start to break. Rivers will be formed by just drips of water over thousands and thousands of years, creating, you know, holes in stone. You know what I mean? So like, consistency is everything. So you just show up every day and you will get much more fluent. Like now you have a better understanding of range 2. You know, it's perfect. That's the mission here. That's why we're here.
You don't show up every day.
Where can I
say, like, it's so important to show up every day, because if you don't show up every day, then you can't put the work in, and you can't see these certain things, and you can't be in these certain situations, which you will develop certain skills, right?
Yep.
So it's very, very important to make sure you're consistent and showing up every day.
Yeah.
Put the work in trading.
Yep. You don't want to be that guy that wasn't with me shooting in the gym, right? You're just trying to kind of cut the pace, right? Cut the mile in half or something. You're trying to shortcut the shortcut, but I'm telling you, man, there's joy in the journey. You got to find that joy in the journey and just stop trying to shortcut it, right? There's something about the process, man, that should get you fired up. I know the process gets every winner fired up, man, because it's not always about the result. You know, when you get to that end result, I'll be honest, you thought it was gonna feel like, I don't know, it's different. When you finally get there after working hard, you appreciate it, but it's like, I expected this, you know, it's not gonna be a surprise or a shock. So just don't shortcut the shortcut, gang. Just, you know, play the game, you know, get the results, show up every day, put in the work, and you'll have everything you need in your arsenal to go out and make money.
Yep. I was telling one of my boys yesterday, you know, everything has a process, right? No matter what you're doing, everything is going to take time. Everything has a process. No matter, even if, you know, you're a beginner as well, you got to allow yourself to grow and naturally grow. And what the problem with most people and why they quit is because they don't allow themselves to grow, right? They'll be consistent for a little bit, and then the result is what they're looking at. So when they don't get the result, you know, they quit and they don't allow themselves to grow naturally. So if you just don't quit, you know, with time, eventually you will achieve what you're going for, what you're working at. So if you just don't quit, you'll get there.
Yeah.
It's just the quitting that makes everyone fail.
It really is. It really is.
If you don't quit, you won't fail. So don't accept to quit. And don't accept failure.
Nah, that's so true, man. It's not that you guys can't do things, it's just that you won't do them.
Exactly.
You know?
Sure.
It's and these things are easy to do, but they're also very easy not to do. Like, it's very easy to wake up at 4:30 in the morning and start working on yourself, right? You just set your alarm clock, 4:30 in the morning, alarm goes off, you get out of bed. Easy to do. Also very easy not to do, right? I forgot to set the alarm. Where you set the alarm, you hit the snooze button. Very easy not to do. Same thing with, you know, reading, right? It's very easy to just read. Oh, Nick says to read 20 minutes every night before bed, you know, and pretty easy to do, right? You grab a book, you pick it up, you start reading it. Very easy not to do though, right? Very easy to just, you know, kick back and hang out on your phone and, you know, just let the time go by. You know, very easy to go to the gym. You know, you get up, you get ready, you go. Very easy to sit on the couch. So these things are very easy to do, very easy not to do. You just have to choose to do them. And again, it's not that you can't, it's that you won't. But those that will get the reward. Every time. Where can I find details of your signal channel? In the description. So if you click the description below, you'll see all that there. Love how calm you guys are. Watching you guys trade is better than trading alone. Yeah, it really is.
Yeah.
Love this analogy. You earn new subs. Hey, John Joseph, appreciate you. Sounds like us. Are you guys referring to the husband and wife battle on what's for dinner tonight? Men. Men, I got a secret for you. You go to your wife, you go, honey, guess where I'm taking you tonight? Let her give you the answer and you say, absolutely, that's exactly where we're going. Right? Because she's always going to give you the spot that she wants to go. Guess where we're going tonight, honey? No, guess, no, tell me, no, guess. Wherever she says, gentlemen, that's where you take her.
Yep.
Life hack.
Facts.
Might have to try that. Because I was about to say, well, what if she says, I don't know.
No. You tell me. Guess. You need to guess. I'll give you 3 guesses. Tell her, I'll give you 3 guesses.
Yeah.
She'd be like, man, my man is smooth. Good morning. Do you go live every morning? Yes. What pairs do you usually trade? Gold and pound yen. Gold and GJ. Showing up, you're already beating more than him. Yeah. Nick Parkin.
Shout out to everyone who's here right at the beginning of the stream. You know? Like, that's the most
420.
important part, low key.
Oh, yeah.
Seeing how the breakdowns are done every single day.
Yeah.
You know, seeing that every single day, watching Nick break down the chart and explaining everything over and over and over and over and over, you know, it's just gonna get burned in your brain at some point. So,
Absolutely. Yeah, shout out to you guys could be in here, because honestly, this is where a lot of the gems are dropped early in the morning. Like, as the stream continues on, we tend to we still can talk about really good stuff, but we start getting into the markets a little bit, you know. So now's that chill time where we just mark up our charts, hang out, shoot the breeze, fellowship, and have a good old time. But that's what did it for me, man. I showed up every day on Don's stream and watched him do that breakdown every single day. Did not miss one day ever, and really kind of dove into, you know, deeper than what he was just saying. You know, what is he thinking? What is he saying, not saying, right? Like, there's sometimes you learn things by what people are not saying over what they're saying. And, you know, what is he leaving out? What is he including, right? It just amazed me, dude. Amazed me. Like, I'm so, like, just in a way, like, in love with the charts. Like, I really do enjoy analyzing the charts and, you know, predicting what price is going to do. I mean, like, we called this whole move on Monday. Sam, John, did we not call this out? 2 bullish candles, a big bearish candle, and potentially, you know, Thursday and Friday move down. I mean, we called this whole thing. Like, that was just, and it's just something about it that I just love it. You know, it's like a sport, you know, someone that goes professional and plays professional sports. And I was actually talking to Tyler about this yesterday. Like, one of the main reasons that I wanted to stream is to share the professionalism that comes into this sport. You know, like, you know, pros don't slack off, really, right? Pros are pros for a reason. And one thing that I think is skewed up with the Forex industry and the Forex live streams is that it's just a lot a lot of chatter, a lot of gibberish, like a lot of, you know, just trying to show off, right? Just Rolexes and cash, and like, you know, they're acting like money is like, you look at these guys and you're like, damn, like money is new to these guys. You know, when money's not new to you, you don't really make a big deal about all that stuff, right? Like, okay, you gotta watch, it's nice, like, but like the Forex industry is super salesy and super like marketing, you know, and they don't really show the professionalism in it. A lot of times they're showing their cars and this, and there's nothing wrong with that. Hey, if you put in the work and you got it, but the main thing is that the illusion that some of you guys get from that, because they don't really show you them hanging out doing the boring stuff, which again is not their fault at all. But I started listening to a lot of stock traders, a lot of guys that work for like major firms in like New York or Manhattan or like Chicago, and like really seeing the professionalism that comes with trading, and understanding that just like any sport or just like any career, if you want to go to the top, you got to be a professional. And I want to kind of share the image of, you know, not the whole glitz and glamour, more so of this is what we do, like the trench work itself, and show you guys that, you know, trading is not super exciting. Those who enjoy exciting trading always give their money to those who enjoy patient trading, right? So it's just, the money is going to flow from the impatient to the patient. And that's what I want to show you guys. Not about taking multiple trades and 100 trades, all, you know, it's really not about that. It's just being a professional, sitting tight in your spaceship, you know, in your work desk, and waiting for those opportunities, those golden opportunities to come to you, taking your profit on the day and then calling it a day. You know, not about, oh, I could do that again, and pumping up your ego and this and that. Like that stuff is for like newer traders. So I think you guys are getting past that point now. You know, that's it shouldn't be nothing new. Winning shouldn't be nothing new to you, right? If you expect to come here and win, then, you know, what's all the hype about, right? So just just the professionalism is really what I want to share to the industry, because there's just too much rah-rah going on.
Yeah, and also people see on Instagram, you know, the cars, the jewelry, the money, gives them the wrong why, and makes them come to the charts for the wrong reasons too, and focus on the wrong things. Big time. Now they're focused on the money, the cars. That's their why now, is to get the cars and jewelry and money. Yep. But that's not what you're supposed to focus on, right? If you focus on the results and money, you're gonna run in circles in trading. That's why you gotta focus on the long-term game and being a professional, and you gotta focus on the process. And that's why your why has to be not for the reasons like to get cars and jewelry and money. That stuff will come naturally, but that can't be your why. Your why has to be freedom and to be a professional at this. And you just have to have a different reason, and to know, and you must know your why too.
Yeah, everyone's why is going to be different, but when I was trading for Lambos and watches, I was blowing account after account after account. When I started putting my why into the mix of my kids and my wife, and knowing that every pip goes to putting food on the table, paying, you know, monthly bills, then I decided to mature. And
exactly.
You know, my why got stronger because it was the real reason why I was doing it, right? Some of you guys, you know, you're going to have that reason, but you need to go a little bit deeper. What's the actual reason? Like, how can trading help you this week? How can trading help you next month, right? Seriously, like, you want a Lambo, but you're struggling to pay like a $200, like, let's say like a light bill or something, right? Electric bill. Like, how about we focus on that first? How about we bang those out?
Get deep about it. Ask yourself, why am I here right now?
Yeah.
Why am I sitting on the charts for 4 hours putting in the work? You know, why? You know.
Yeah.
Make sure you know that.
Yeah. Before the Rolex,
that's gonna help you out in your trading.
Before the big hype things, right? How about what's your rent? What's your mortgage? How about we focus on paying down the principal of your mortgage before we focus on buying Lamborghinis, right? Like, it's just, don't get trapped in the illusion of social media, because I was, and when I was doing that, I was forcing everything and just blowing account after account. But when I got my real reason of why I wanted to do this, and the passion started developing in it, and that's when I became profitable, man. And I have not had a unprofitable month since then. So just lock in on your why.
Legend.
I don't know where that came from, but I think it came from Nick parking his G-Wagon in the room. Yeah, that's my daughter's G-Wagon. And I want the G-Wagon. I want the Urus. I want the S-Class. I want the Ferrari. There's nothing wrong with wanting these things, but that's not the sole purpose of me coming to the charts every day. I know that's gonna happen in time, right?
That stuff comes naturally.
Yeah.
Just like it did for all the other successful traders that you see have those things, those materials, that all came naturally to them.
Yeah. It's nothing wrong with wanting these things, but making the priority list is something important. And that'll drive you, because maybe the car won't drive you, but maybe seeing your wife smile as you say, hey honey, here's $350 to go get a massage, right? Just random choices like that, to be able to say yes a little bit more. To be able to say yes, to take your wife out on a nice date, or a husband out on a nice date, or whatever, something like that, like something that you could actually feel and touch and do within the next month or two. That car is good, but like the Ferrari is good, but it don't get me going the way my wife and kids get me going. It don't get me going the way going, helping, serving the homeless people and the less fortunate kids gets me going, right? Those are the real reasons why, to be able to go do God's work in the communities, right? Those are what really get me going. That's what keeps me disciplined. It's not the cars and stuff. And God loves when his people have a good time, right? He loves when we enjoy time, and he's gonna give us multiple heaven on earth experiences, right? By getting your new Ferrari, or doing your dream thing, or dream that. But the real desire and the real why for me personally is just going to be to serve people, impact people, and provide a good life for my family. So you got to figure out those things for you and really hone in on them, and really give them some attention, give them some thought, right? Put the phone down, put this down. We live in such a distracted time right now, but put these things down and focus on what is your why. What do you want? What's gonna create that burning desire inside of you? If you guys have never read Think and Grow Rich, go read Think and Grow Rich. Incredible book. I have watched, listened, followed over a dozen different traders. The way you look at the market, most importantly, how composed you are before rushing into a trade, has made me look at the charts from a different perspective. Awesome. Yeah, your approach is the way to grow the account. Yeah, slowly but steadily. Yeah. And you'd be surprised. You'd be surprised when you slow down, you get an opportunity to speed up. So slowly but steady actually can speed you up too. I love that. Sometimes in life we just gotta slow down to speed up, right? Just take a few minutes. Today, word of wisdom is fire. Yes, it was. Yes, it was, guys. If you're not in our free Discord, come check out our free Discord. This is the Discord. The link is in the bio and or the description. But this is where we come, man. When we're off the charts, this is where the chat happens. The chatter goes down. Ooh, nice. Yeah, so come on in. I mean, we got the chat room. We got the war room here. We got words of wisdom. So every day we get an amazing words of wisdom here by Austin. And yeah, these have been really great, bro. Really great. And we appreciate you. We know it takes time to do these things. I understand that. And we don't take that lightly or take it for granted. So if you guys haven't seen today's words of wisdom, go check it out. Just amazing. You're not missing out, man. You're not missing out. For 8 years, I was in a network marketing business. We had and I was just so passionate about it. Went after it with everything I had, and once a week we would have weekly meetings as a whole team, like get together and do some teaching, also share the opportunity with people. And man, no matter what, I was there, and I knew I wasn't missing out on anything. Man, I used to ride motorcycles back then too, and it was every single Wednesday night, and every Wednesday night at a certain part of the year in New York, they had these big car shows and motorcycle events, and I wouldn't go. I would go to my business plan, my business meetings, and I would skip out on birthdays and holidays and these little parties to go build my business. And I understood this concept very early on, that I am not missing out on anything when I'm busy working on my dreams and goals, because I knew during that time that's where the separation was going to play out. That's where everything was going to develop, and sure enough, that's exactly what happened. So yeah, this is a great one. If you guys haven't read this, go read it, check it out. But yeah, we got a whole bunch of different oh, by the way, I really do love this setup here. This is clean. This is clean. I like this. Yeah. Is that an Alienware? Yeah, it's clean. 3 monitors, that's all you need. Nice TV up there. Dope.
Oh.
Yeah, we also have this trade of the day section as well. This is where we post all of our trades, so you guys can go see our trades that we take. They're all broken down, explained very well, and yeah, this is good. All the trades. So go check it out. Yeah, charts for stream. Let's see. Anybody got anything here? Let's take a look. Who's this? Z Gamer. Let's see. Daily bias is bullish. Fake out. Yup, perfect. I didn't enter on this candle because I had no bottom wick. Great discipline. Next candle, flip bearish, create a bottom wick for the previous one. Perfect. Catching on. Entered on the flip of the candle. Just amazing. Great job.
I seen that this morning. I just want to give a personal round of applause to Z Gamer.
Absolutely. Yeah,
that's like literally textbook everything.
I love that,
we
man.
Talk about.
Go, guys, go. Yeah, this is textbook right here. Just beautiful, man. Z Gamer, shout out to Z Gamer, because I see you learning and growing and showing up every day, and man, just
Gamer putting in that work.
Yeah, he's really learning. I thought the growth is so evident.
Round of applause.
Bro.
Great work, great work.
There's a couple other people too. I've been keeping my eye on as well.
There are. We ain't gonna say no names just yet, but we see you guys, man, and we're proud of you.
Yeah, I really am.
We're proud of you, because at the end of the day, gang, I don't care about the quantity of people on this stream, coming in this stream, whatever. I care about the quality. I want people who are gonna take what we're teaching and run with it. I want people who are gonna take what we're saying and take the time serious, because although this is a free live stream and you just kind of casually jump on here, man, you can learn so much from the guys on Zoom, the charts, everything we talk about, and you can use that moving forward. So take advantage of this time. Seriously, take advantage of what you have your hands on here. You have your hands on a gold mine.
Yep, and this is the best way to learn it, by watching a professional do it every day.
Yeah,
watching a professional trade.
Yeah,
so that's the best way to learn, so that you can copy that and become the professional trader by watching them.
Yeah, and I'll be honest, I could confidently say it, not even cocky, but we're the best stream out there. Like, what other streams are people walking away seriously impacted? It's one thing, yeah, I did good trading, but what about the guy who says, dude, I'm treating my wife better. Man, I'm a better father, man, over the last couple weeks, man. That's what gets me, bro. Like, that's why I'm here. The trading is just some icing on the cake, man. We're going to make a lot of money trading, gang. Trust me. But, man, to hear some of the stories, man, I can get emotional talking about some of the things that some of you guys tell me that's going on in your personal life, and that's why I'm here, man. That's what gets me up every morning, to show up and pour into you guys, right? And just love it, man. Just love it. Developing different habits, reading more, exercising more, eating better, treating people better, man. Going out and giving, man. Feeling that sensation of giving to someone else, just amazing.
Yo, good morning, Micah. I see you in the chat.
Hey, yo, Mike is in the building.
Hey,
He says I don't see him and I ignore him.
Sam.
I see you, Micah.
That's Sam's
I
boy
don't
right
wanna
there.
interrupt.
Wait, is Micah a boy or a girl?
I think it's a boy.
Micah, boy or girl?
or not, neither.
No. It's just, if you're confused, just take a look and you should be straight.
Just
Boy or girl.
take a look down.
Yeah.
Just take a peek.
Take a peek.
Yeah, go like this. Whoop. I want to add on to that, everything we've just been saying too. If you guys can get in the Discord, share some charts. If you're actively looking at a trade, don't be afraid to just share it. I was in there saying last night, someone had asked they had said about GJ, and they said that they were kind of bearish. And so I just simply asked them why, because I think that if you can learn something and then teach it to someone else, then that's kind of proven that you understand what you're talking about to yourself, right? So I think that,
Yep.
Get in there, get active, share, and then, someday you might even be teaching, you know what I mean?
Yeah, exactly.
That's a great point, Sam. If I was a new beginner and I wanted to change my life, I would show up here every day and be active in the chat and send my charts in the Discord and ask a bunch of questions, So
Yeah, doing
great
everything
point.
to just get at it,
Yeah, great point.
Yeah. And you're looking at a living proof. I mean, what John said is what I did over the past 2.5 years. I wanted to change my life, so I showed up daily. I made sure I learned this. Guys, at one point, I didn't know what a pip was, right? Just like you didn't. I didn't know what a higher high was. I didn't know what anything was, I was brand new to this at one point, just like you. The only thing that separates me and you, I think, is just time, and that's it, chart time, experience, that's all. So real quick, we did close, it is the NY Open. We're gonna range here until news comes out. So we closed Doji. Remember, I want Taco Bell, I want KFC, I want Italian, no, I want so we just let them bicker, and we will figure out where we're going to eat, and then it's going to be time to eat. I like that. I like that. Bars.
We got fire in the booth
Hey.
this morning.
Oh man. Yeah. You remind me of the author of the letters to Philip. Never heard of that. Cold showers, gym, and showing up here, you are 3 points ahead. There you go, KJ. Absolutely. Cold exposure in the morning. Amazing. I broke my charts down today. Bang on, great feeling. There you go. Don trades 5 minute. You switched it up a bit. I'm not sure what you mean by that. Yeah, they're always showing off their supercars. Yeah. I mean, it's fine. I mean, if I had a supercar too, I'd probably take pictures of it also. So I'm not like, it's not their fault. It's in a way, it's kind of our fault, right? For thinking that's all it takes, right? We should know it takes more than just come on the chart, press a couple buttons, get a Lamborghini, right? So, they put in the work.
That easy.
Yeah, they put in the work though. You just didn't see it. So I want to show you the work. I can find a link, but no history on any info. Wayne, I don't know. Maybe message me on Discord, and I'll give you whatever you need. Most on YouTube spend more time getting likes and subscriptions and promoting things. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Like, you guys know I have a few products, but when do you ever hear me talking about, hey, buy my products and buy this and buy that? Like, if you need it, you need it. If you need it, it's there. If not, it is what it is, right? Been on the tools for 10 years since I left school, doing renovation after renovation. Surely that's a good enough reason to start. Oh. Stop watching everyone after finding the stream. Hey, yo. Appreciate you, AQN. Appreciate you.
Thanks.
Yeah, don't run after money because it'll flee from you. That's pretty true. The guys who make the most money, or girls who make the most money, are the ones that aren't so focused on it. Right? They understand why they're here. They understand the job that's they're doing, but then they're just not focusing on the money. Like, I don't focus on how much money is going to be made here today. I focus on the setups, what's to the left-hand side, and really perfecting my trade versus how much money I make in the trade. You know, if that makes sense. The main focus is, how do I stick to my plan the best I can, and whatever money comes from that, awesome. You know, I'll take it.
And God clearly states in the Bible too that the love of money is the root of all evilness. So it's the love of money. So when you're just so focused on money and loving it, you're gonna find yourself losing a bunch of it.
Yeah. Think and Grow Rich changed my life. Yeah, me too. Me too. Can we get 250 likes? Scott says. Hey, chat. Can we get 250 likes for Scotty Boy here today? Can we get 250? We're at 224. Let's see if we can get 250. 250. Do I see 230? Do I see 230? Actually, let me... Oh, yeah. I only see 227 here. Can we get 230? Can we get 230? What do you think about Latza? I don't really think much about that at all. So that's like, what do you think about someone else's stop loss size? I don't think about that stuff. I just focus on my own trading, my own strategy, my own plan, and my stop loss. You know, I don't know really what anybody else is doing. And whatever they're doing, if it's working for them, that's amazing. Like, sometimes, you know, probability is just not on your side, but I really don't focus too much on you know, or give any thought to what other traders are doing. And that's actually one of the reasons why I decided not to go to the FX Summit this year, is because I don't really need to go. Like, I don't need any inspiration. I don't need to know what anyone else is doing. We have something really special right here. I want to lock in on this, and then next year, by the grace of God, maybe we'll be speaking on the stage, and we can serve that way, serve that community, or serve that event versus trying to take from that event. You know, we don't need to take anything from that event. I want to get the job done. We can go serve people at that event. So yeah, I really don't focus much on what anyone else is doing. Struggle for years trying to get funded in a week or two. Now I'm giving myself 2 months to pass phase 1. Mentally, it is easy. Let's see. Yeah, let's see what happens. Keep us updated. Thank you, Nick. Yes, it's an Alienware. Oh, nice. Yeah, I'm thinking about getting an Alienware. Z Gamer, yeah. Good morning. A little curious, did you make a gold sell call on your signal channel yesterday? Yeah, I think we did, right? And then we deleted them.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we set sell stops,
sell
but
stops.
deleted them. Yeah, signals channel. Deleted the sell stops though. Yeah. Yeah, we deleted them. Best stream on YouTube. Hey, thanks, Peter. Overall, this is the best channel. Morals, upliftment, and inspiration. Shogun. Appreciate that. Plus trading. There you go. Yep. Nick, would you call yourself a professional? Yeah, professional. Professional. It's an alien. Can't assume nowadays. Be a man.
That's unfortunate.
I'm daily on the stream for a month now. Hey, mans, bro, appreciate you, man.
Oh, good stuff.
1 month, let's go. Very bullish on the stream, lad. Hey, Timmy. Shout out to Timmy. Shout out to Timmy. Bars. Hey, there's 250 likes.
Nice.
All right. Blah 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 blah. Do you trade with a fixed lot size every time, or you adjust it based on stop loss? Usually it's a fixed 10 lot, but then if it's over like 35-40 pips, sometimes I'll go into Magic Keys and just risk like 3% no matter what the stop loss is. So it's either 10 lots or like 3%. Nick, my entry trade points always go the opposite way, although my levels are on point. Feedback much appreciated. If you want to take a buy, just take a sell. If it always goes the opposite way, then you should be good. What's a good lot size for a 2K account? Maybe like a 0.50. Yeah, something like, yeah, maybe like $5 a pip. Maybe a 1 lot. I mean, on 2K 2K accounts, dude, I was throwing up like 2-3 lots on that. But that was because I was way too aggressive with risk. But I would just maybe go like a 0.50. Yeah, claim it. You'll be speaking on the stage. The Time to Eat family will be an audience head. Yes, sir, 2024. And we're all going to be wearing our Time to Eat gear.
Yep.
Hey, chat, we're going to possibly get some gear here. You guys like these shirts? Shout out to David Trill. But we might come out with some shirts. These are just a couple of designs we're looking at, but we'll see. We'll see. There's more designs to come. Get your juicers.
More designs to come.
Yeah, we're just in the... Probably going to start doing something. See if we can get some merch out there. Juicers. If you trade on a desktop, I use proper size ad calculator. Nice. Yeah, I just use Magic Keys. If you guys need Magic Keys, there's a link in the description also. I think you get a discount with it, but yeah, this the best risk management tool I've found, and I couldn't imagine trading without it anymore. Oh, that one's free. Yeah, if you guys don't want to spend any money, then that one's free. Check it out. This one I believe is like $30 or $35, right, John?
Yeah.
for
on screen,
the
35
digital one. Yeah, 35 for the digital, and I think it's like 180 or 200 now for the physical one. What's your win rate for gold? 85% win rate. Our win rate for the entire year, gang, is 85% on the trades we've taken on stream, and everything has been tracked. Everything's been documented on stream. But yeah, we're looking good so far here in June as well. This was yeah, this is June so far here. So we've taken 4 trades. Yeah, 4 trades in June so far. And yeah, this is May. So we had a pretty good May as well. I think we what did we do in May? Was that 84% for May? I think we did that the other day, right? I think we said it was 84%. April was really good as well. We only took 2 L's in April. Yeah, March is when things really started to get going. We had a little bit of a slow February, but then as you could see, March started heating up a little bit. April started going. May started really get going, and now we're in June. So every trade besides maybe 1 or 2 of all these have been taken on stream. So you can go back to the streams. And I was actually putting links here, but slacked off on that. But yeah, you go back and watch all these trades on stream. And if you guys want this free journal, this template, just come into the Discord right here and go to the announcement section. Come over here to the announcement section and just come up a little bit, and you'll have the template right here if you guys want to use this to track your trades, or even if you want to use it to follow, you know, what I'm doing. Yeah, when you open it up, just hit File, make a copy, and then you'll be able to type in it if you like. But yeah, that's the journal we use. So yeah, we only focus on very, very high A+ setups, and that's how you get such a high win rate, right? We have a playbook that consists of really just 4 plays, and we stick with those. And when we see them, we're on them, and if we don't see them, we're just waiting. One month of watching this stream, best decision ever. Hey, yo, shout out to Milos 93. Been coming here for a little bit. Thanks. Useful tips. Awesome. Get that merch. Hey, definitely want a hoodie. Yeah, maybe we'll do like a pre-sale or something like that, and like maybe next month. Let's cook up some designs. If you guys got any cool designs, send them in. Send them to me on Discord. How to join the Discord? Oh, there you go.
Yeah, the Discord's in the description.
Yeah, if you guys look in the description on YouTube, you'll see everything that we do there.
Hello, hello. Yo, Mr. Grimm.
Who?
Bull the Trader.
Hey, yo.
Grimm. So that's like whenever I stream, he would be there every day. Whenever there was like 5 people.
Wow.
Oh, I love that.
What's up, man?
Well, welcome to our stream, man. We're glad to have you here.
Yeah, I told him, I was like, bro, you gotta come on over here now.
Yeah. Anyone who's a friend of Sam is a friend of mine.
Absolutely.
Hey, chat, 3,400 plus subscribers, man. Yesterday we were at 3,200. And now we're at 3,400. Crazy.
What up, boys?
Yo,
Tandy.
what up, Tandy?
Good,
Yo.
Tandy.
Did you mute before you joined again? You snuck up on me, bro.
Yeah, yo, the mute gang, dog.
There he is.
That's with it.
Talk
That's
G.
awesome. That's so fun.
Good.
You hear it now, right?
You,
No,
yeah.
I didn't hear it at all.
No, we didn't hear it once.
Nope.
You stuck on in. We didn't even know you were here.
My iPhone 4 is not gonna get me anymore.
Alert, Tandy's here.
What you got on your phone?
What up, gamer?
Tandy got his coffee ready to go. Perfect.
Oh yeah, this is gonna be like my first trade of this week, bro. I've just been working.
Oh, nice.
Let's go.
You
Fine.
you're off this morning?
No, I still got work, but a later shift.
Okay, cool.
Green, what's good, my boy? Vant, unique.
Hey, Vant, what up, brother? Welcome. I don't know if you just got here. You've been here the whole time. Damn, man, he's at the desk and everything. Yeah, Tandy's ready to go today.
Fine.
Locked in.
He's locked in, gang.
He's got fire in the booth.
We got fire in the booth here today.
Yeah, I love that.
Wait, spit it, bro. Spit it.
We already
That's you.
did.
Oh, it's me.
Yeah,
Oh,
Nick was spitting fire in the booth earlier. That's how I said that.
Oh, let's hear it, bro. Let's hear it.
I was actually saying something funny to my wife last night. Hold on one sec. I was saying, I don't know what happened with Zoom there, but remember when I told you guys you start getting in your playbook, you start getting in that flow state, you start being like, yo, ma, come look at this. I predicted this, I predicted that, you know? And I was telling her that people, you know, on stream were like, you know, you seem like a good mix of Raja and Don, you know? And I told her, you know, you mix a like Eminem said when he was like, what was that one rap?
What's one word?
Oh yeah,
I
you
might
take
be
some
able to
Big and some Pac and you mix them up in a pot, right? I was like, you take some Don and some Raja, you mix them up in a pot, sprinkle a little bit God on the top, and what do you got? Hey, you got the tiny crew.
Hey.
Woo! Bars.
Yo,
Dang.
let's go.
Cause I was like, you sprinkle a little on the top, and she was like, sprinkle a little what? And I was like, sprinkle a little bit of God on the top, baby.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
W's.
That'll be
First Forex rapper.
First Forex rapper. Man,
Man,
what do we trade? We preach, we rap. What don't we do here?
for real.
Dang.
Yo, there actually is a guy who makes Forex raps, and he has one. It's like, Pips, pay my bills.
I seen
Pips,
that.
pay my bills.
I seen that.
Wait,
That's too funny.
There's a Forex rapper?
Yeah, and then there's another one too. He was on Rajaw's stream like when I was like brand new to trading. His name's like XAUUSD or something like that.
That's funny.
But he's
Pips,
got
pay my
songs literally
bills.
called like NAS 100, US 30.
Yo.
Oh yeah, Tylillionaire.
Yeah.
Tylillionaire. Wow, that's a weird name. to say.
Billionaire or something maybe.
Yeah, Tillionaire.
That's too funny. Yeah, man. You mix up Don, you mix up Raja, sprinkle a little on the top, and this is what you got, man. This is what you got.
Yeah, the Nasdaq song. It goes, Nasdaq, smoking on the gas pack.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah, that's actually funny.
That's too funny. Are fake outs one of the setups? Yeah. So like, let's say we were like, yeah. So I think somebody asked earlier, what are the setups you take? Well, we take a simple breakout. So if a candle closed above, we could take a position. This is our breakout entry. Or we can take a celery play, which is basically, let me switch the colors for you guys. Basically a close above, right? And now waiting for volume to come in. We wait for a candle, we sit out a candle and wait for the next candle. And if it closes above bearish and we're overall looking for buys, then we'll take positions on the break of the highs. So this is our second setup. We call this the salary or the celery play. just something like this.
Salary.
The salary play. So the first example has an 84% win rate. That example has a 92% win rate, and then we just take something very simple like, let's say price is moving up, we're bullish on the day, we're moving up, and we're waiting now, we're waiting for a retracement, we're waiting for price to come down. Let's say we're bullish on the day, we finally get a support, boom, bam, looking good, bam, we'll take buys right here, boom, to come back up, to retest that resistance. So those are really the 3 plays that we take. And a lot of times you can also we do take the fake out back into the range, and that's basically same thing, same thing as an onion here. So that's it, literally.
Wait, Nick, buy now?
Oh, yes, Uncle Scalp's here, everyone, bye.
Buy now?
Oh, Scout.
Yes, and that's our other setup is buy now.
What's that? Tandy.
How we
You're
doing?
getting one. Sir Gold?
Sir.
Sit on the side. How you doing?
What's up, John?
Looking forward to the simulation coming. Yeah, I think we're going to do a simulation here in maybe 2 weeks. 2 weeks.
Good morning, Scotty.
How you doing?
I gotta finish packing after this.
Pack it up.
Have you guys seen that CoffeeZilla video? I'm guessing you have.
No.
Nope.
Dude, he's talking about Uncle Ted and the trader's domain.
Uh-oh.
Oh, someone mentioned that last week.
Dude, kind of wild what's going on right now.
What is it? Can you explain it?
He's doing a 3-part to it, so pretty much a bunch of people that have lost money with trader's domain, they've been told that there's a bot on there where they're copy trading Uncle Ted, and if you need liquidity to the broker, he'll copy trade a losing trade on purpose to get money as liquidity to the broker.
Wait, so trader's domain is a broker? It's not a prop firm? I don't know anything about it.
Nah, it's a broker.
It's 5 different things.
That's crazy.
According to people.
But Uncle Ted was always, from what I know, a super legit person.
That's what I thought too. Dude, watch the video. CoffeeZilla comes out with some quality stuff. And
Interesting.
He was always a bit mysterious though.
He was always mysterious, yes. I don't think anyone ever saw what he looks like or anything like that.
now you do,
I know
bro.
what he looks like.
They found pictures and videos of him talking and stuff. And
He
it's
used to
pretty
just get on Instagram Live all the time and show his face.
Yeah, no, he used to get on Instagram. He used to drop gems too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No,
I used to sit there and
I
screen record the lives, bro.
Facts.
Yeah, word.
Yeah, I know
Nah,
he used to drop gems. He used to come on Roger's stream once
Yeah.
in a while and drop gems, but
Yeah.
that's all I knew about him.
And Don stream a couple times.
Yeah.
That's all.
Yeah,
I
I mean,
well,
I'd like to give him the benefit of the doubt. We don't know what
Yeah,
happened,
same.
so we really can't say,
it's all alleged.
anything really.
But it's I'm right there with you, but Jay lost his account. His
That's
account
crazy.
got frozen and now he lost all of his money on there.
Yeah, that's nuts.
Oh,
Hopefully
he
they
had,
can.
he had
That's
an
crazy.
account there.
Yeah.
Wild.
Wait, that's it. Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah.
Well, yeah.
When you have free time, watch that CoffeeZilla video. It's done
Yeah, I'll have to check it
amazingly
out.
and kind of makes you question.
Yeah, I'll have to check it out.
Is it on Reddit?
Yeah, I'm sure if you read it's got
YouTube.
low. Yeah, check it on YouTube. CoffeeZilla.
Are those plays rewarding on a specific time frame, or does it really matter? Yeah, I think they work best on the 30 minute, 1 hour. Especially during times of volume, like session opens. So it looks like we got the news coming up here in just 3 minutes. Gold is starting to poke its head up here. Remember, we have no bottom wick on this daily candle here. You may see gold start to push up. Let's see how the 30-minute closes and see what happens. We may fill this whole range during news, but I'm not gonna take any positions for news. If you guys are about to lock in on news, good luck. May the force be with you. But I'm gonna let the news come out, and then we'll see where the dust settles, and then we'll we'll look for our positions. But we got news here in 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Do you use a trade copier? No, not yet, but I do plan on doing that. But there's a few guys that use trade copiers here. $500, damn son. We have the same plan, love it. Waiting for markets to show their hands, yep. All new traders get ready. It's time, yep. Yep. 1 minute. I'm gonna watch the news come out and then I'm gonna go grab some water. We'll let the dust settle and we'll see where we're at.
Booter.
In the meantime, if you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like here today. That would mean the world to me. If there's any way you could support me, it would be just by liking the stream, subscribing to the channel, and just sharing our content when you can. So if you guys could like the stream, that'd be awesome, and subscribe to the channel. Creeping on 3,500 subscribers. Creeping. All right. I'm waiting for the news. Yeah, smart. Here we go. Here comes the fireworks show. Almost 600 people watching for the fireworks show here. Let's see if we get a blast up or a wick down. If we wick down and break lows and then come up and the spreads are not high at that point, I may look to take a position on unemployment claims.
Yeah, I was gonna say we do have news in 10 seconds.
Yeah, here it comes. Here it comes.
3, 2, 1.
Blast off. 3, 2, 1, boom. Oh, there it is. No bottom wick. You know, anyone got slipped, they got entered right here. That's your entry, then you went into drawdown, and now you're... Yeah, so... Fireworks show. $37 pip push. Alright, give me 1 sec, I'll be right back.
Yo, John, are those fires near you?
Yeah, they were yesterday. It was pretty bad.
Dude, that's wild. I've been seeing pictures. What?
Yeah, I know, bro. It was crazy. I was outside when I left school. I didn't want to breathe that, shit in, but it was definitely like, it smelled like fire, and it wasn't good to breathe in.
No, not at all, dude. No.
The skies were like orange. Crazy.
Why aren't you out there helping, bro? Little buckets of water. Alright, so news came out good for gold. Not that crazy.
You got slipped? Damn.
Yeah, the impulse is always rough, man. That slippage is crazy.
Oh, hell yeah.
I remember I got into position 40 pip spread, dude. Absolutely insane. Thank God the news was so good that it just kept on going. But 40 pips, dude. What?
When?
Oh, that was like a month ago.
Oh,
Damn.
Yeah, man.
that's crazy.
I got slipped like 70 pips one time. It was the biggest.
Dude, it's wild. Like
Crazy.
your little like buy stop or sell stop line just goes all the way like down. You're just, okay, I guess this is where I'm at now.
Took a fat loss that day. That was I think that was maybe a year and a half ago.
What did you do? Instantly close it, or just kind of like hold it for a second, see what happened?
Nah, yeah, I held it for like a couple seconds and I was like, I'm out of here, man.
Yeah, I feel like that's
Yeah,
exactly what I would have had
it
it
was
done
bad.
too. Yeah.
It was bad.
NYC looks like a hookah lounge. Pineapple missed
Yeah.
by.
Yeah, hey, we're praying that God would send the rains down on New York, man. That doesn't look good.
Yo,
I
that
haven't
Gab, you
seen
see
any of the pictures from
Yeah.
New York. I've only seen the ones of Canada.
Yeah, I seen it. Seen a picture of like Yankee Stadium.
I'm gonna have to check that out. Let me look it up. Cause I did see that. It's actually crazy. Yo, it's like there's people that are like, so they have satellite images of it up in Canada, and it's like there's like 12 different places that the fire started at, which is wild. So it's like almost like it kind of seemed intentional. But
there's conspiracies coming around saying that they're finding people out in the woods with like a laser, like little lights to start fires and stuff.
Yeah, I'm sure they're up to something. I'm sure fires didn't just
right,
just
like
come
at 12
about
different
out of
spots all at once.
Yeah.
That is kind of
Yeah.
makes you
There's
question
good.
a little.
If there's good, there's gotta be evil, right?
Remember,
Gotta
they
be
always
one
want you
opposite force.
when they're doing something to the left. They always want you looking to the right.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Oh wow, bro. I'm just the first thing I do when I search it up, it's just giving me all the air quality for New York. It is. I've never even seen these numbers. 200 plus. Like I don't know if you've ever like opened the weather app on your phone, but like usually it's somewhere like 50 or lower.
Yeah, that's
At least
nuts.
for me, that's crazy. 200.
Imagine breathing that in. Imagine working outside, having to breathe that in all the time.
Dang. Joe's saying normal air quality is 50 and it was 400 yesterday.
Wow.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, like it's usually around like 400 yesterday though.
Bro, yesterday by my house was insane.
That's nuts.
It was like yellow outside. It looked like an episode of fucking Breaking Bad.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, I'll be praying for everyone though. That is.
But
Yeah.
it's leaving. It's leaving now. The bad part is like going over like Maryland right now.
Sheesh.
It's going to
Oh shit.
Uh-oh.
PA.
Oh snap. Sam, better
Going
get your
towards-
gas
yeah,
mask
It's
out.
going towards like it's going towards like Pittsburgh.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Gotta take a trip, Sam.
You saying that like
Come
you-
down to Florida, man. The air quality is really nice here.
I'm really hoping that my flight isn't delayed today because they stay grounded all flights.
Oh wow, did they?
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Oh damn. You might have an issue there, pal.
Damn.
I'll be tight.
I hope
You
not.
leaving today?
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Nice.
My flight's at 4.
Sick.
Yeah, for those of you guys going to the FX Summit, Uncle Scalp will be down there wearing Uncle Scalp shirts though. Imagine you just wore rock with an Uncle Scalp shirt.
Just look around till you see a goat. That's right.
A mask might actually be useful now.
No, that's what I was saying. That's an actual reason to wear the mask though. Like, it's not for no
Yeah,
reason.
but it's still gonna have to be a actual like legitimate mask, not like a little piece of
Yeah, you need like
Whatever they-
N95,
Yeah.
like
You would need
hospital
like
grade.
you need like
they
a
A
mask,
papper.
like if you were like
Like
in
a gas
bomb
mask.
squad. Like a gas mask.
Yeah.
like if we had like a deadly virus, you would need a gas mask, not a like tissue
Right.
around your face. You know,
Facts.
same thing with this.
Bro, I'll never forget when COVID first happened. I actually worked in a hospital. Crazy.
Oh damn.
It was like, yeah. Well, because it was like everything at first was like, no one knew what was going on, bro. So it was so crazy. So literally, like, what I did was I would bag up all of, like, the biohazard waste and garbage and that. So, like, I'll go up to every floor. They have, like, these big closets. You grab all the big red biohazard bags out, take them outside into this, like, special room. And then, like, so what we would always do before that is, like, so there's, like, special gray totes, and you push them down in, or you line it, push it down in, and then, like, there's a paddle, you push it, and then you pop holes, obviously, so you can get as many bags as you could in at once. And, literally, the only thing they knew to do at first is write big C's on the bag for Corona. And then
Big C.
I remember I got that whenever it first happened too, because I'm sitting there and pushing the air out.
Yeah.
And
Oh,
at
yeah.
the time it was like, no, they didn't have any mask mandates or not. I mean, I highly doubt that would ever help, but like,
Damn.
yeah, it
Yikes.
got wild, got tragic. Nope, new paddock.
Did you take any trades? No, we didn't take any trades. The landscapers are here though. Everyone say hello to the landscapers.
They're here like every day.
Grass grows quick around here. Oh yeah, let's take a look at pound yen here. So, okay. All right. If we get an hourly close here, we may be all right. Let me see. We got a... Yeah, this daily candle most likely is not going to flip. Just one of those things, right? I feel like this daily candle will create a resistance here to continue down.
Hopefully.
But we'll see.
GJ's been crazy bullish.
GJ's just been in the range here. 4-hour time frame, nasty. Quick US 30 rundown? Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. So US 30, let's get rid of all the markups here. Take a look at the weekly. So weekly is we're still kind of making that bottom wick. We've already broken the weekly highs. So, you know, if we're breaking those highs and we re-break them, then there's a very high chance we come up to retest that resistance up there. So pretty bullish off the weekly. We only got 2 days left here, so we'll see what happens. We've broken the high I think early on, but we're trying to come back up there now. So let's take a look at the daily. So daily did close. Yeah, see that? We broke the high right away on Monday and then just dropped down. Remember we talked about don't really take these sells here because we were running into this resistance level, and so it looks like we did create a support. I am pretty bullish on the day here on US 30. Looks like if we can break this high, then we can continue up. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. So 4-hour, we have a support here, we have a resistance right here, and that's kind of the range we're in. So we're coming up to a 4-hour close here in about 20 minutes. Wait for that, and then you should be good to go. 1 hour has a new resistance right here. Mark that up, put your resistance there, and that's what I'll be looking for here today. Buys above 33699. Very, very clean. Clean buys coming up. Should be good. This is a pretty decent range, I believe. Yeah, 100 point range here on US 30. And then sales, sales. Yeah, I'd probably wait for this. I mean, you're breaking the previous 4-hour low at that point, and then the 4-hour candle has nice room to go. So yeah, I'll probably look for maybe range 2 sells below these support levels here, but probably best to wait for the 4-hour lows to break, and then you can confidently say, all right, you know, we should be good to continue down. So yeah, that's what I would wait for. But if you want, wait for your range 2 sells below there, and you could take advantage of all that range right there. So that's what I would look for here today. So range 2 sells. Actually, you're kind of already getting that range 2. So you kind of broke out, created a support, you created a resistance. Should be good to go on just a closure below here on sells. Yeah, we came down, we came up, created a resistance, rejected. Yeah, if you close below here, I think you're good. You're good for sells. You're good. Got my ranges correct? Yeah, there you go. Yeah. I feel good when I now analyze on my own and see Nick having the same levels. Yeah, that's why I told you guys every morning, you know, jump on a little bit before stream and get your markups in. You know, get your markups, do it yourself. Make sure you're applying these things, and it's okay to mess up, right? It's okay, because now, you know, you can start to correct things and you can start to adjust, and then all of a sudden, you know, you come to the charts every day and you know, you have your levels marked up, you sit through the breakdown and you say, oh man, you know, same levels as him, good to go. And it feels good, right? It feels pretty good. Gold ripping. A 5 minute never gave you a bottom wick, huh? Ripping, ripping. Nick, look at the New York session Discord. Almost on point with the US 30. Let's take a look. Jose. Oh, here we go. Oh yeah, yeah, good money. Yep. Perfect. Yeah, beautiful, man. Yep, there's your, that's your next range, and then after that you have that support right there. That looks good. Perfect. Yeah, you notice this level over here. Beautiful. Very nice. Very, very good. Good work, Jose.
Shout out Jose.
Zay.
Bro, sells on Euro USD at 1.07450. Awesome. Oh, what do I think? Let's take a look. Euro USD. Yeah, looks good. Did you take them? Break of the high? Did you end up taking it or what? Are you looking for buys on gold? Yeah, we'll see what happens here. So we've cleared out this range, right? So now that we've cleared out this range, our next range becomes here. So let's see if we can get a closure now above this level here. And if we can, then yeah, we're gonna look to take some buys. Should be a beautiful, beautiful day here. We got a lot of room to go. Look at that 4-hour rocket ship there. See how price moves really clean in this range? Really clean. See how it's moving really clean, really smooth? It's a good range. Now, where can we anticipate the next 4-hour candle to go? Well, we can anticipate that to continue on up, right? To retest these areas up here. So that's what we want to wait for. We may see a pullback on the 15. It's the last 15 of that 4-hour candle. Closing almost very little to no top wick. So we'll see what happens. Daily, man. No bottom wick. Look at that, just a straight shoot up. We always talk about candles that close with no bottom wick. Means there's no range for the next price to drive, and there it goes. There she goes.
Goes.
Oh. Yeah, I got the overlay. I'm working on getting that overlay fixed. I also have my guy start make the bigger screen a little bit bigger, right? The actual chart. So we'll see. We'll see how it works. See if we can fix the blurriness too. Yeah, now we wait. Now we just wait.
That's all we can do.
Yeah, there's nothing else to do right now besides hang tight, wait for this closure, and wait for familiar price action. If we can close above, that'd be great. 930 should push us up to fill the rest of the range. Yep. Yeah, we get a close above next candle, especially the next, not maybe the next 30-minute candle, but the one after that should really drive us up. Session open. Give me 1 sec, I'll be right back.
I have a problem in higher time frame analysis. I handle 4-hour zones. Sometimes my lower time frame trades are rejecting by higher time frame zones. How to handle that? Well, what are the zones look like on the lower time frame? You know, are you rejecting zones on the lower time frame too? Because I'm sure if there's a 4-hour, you know, rejection zone, I'm sure there's a 1-hour rejection zone too. Well, make sure you're just looking at everything, especially the time frame you're taking a trade on. You know, make sure there's no zones or anything like that if you're in a trade, because that could be why you're rejecting them. What about buy stop above this 15? You do what you think. You know, I'm not gonna take it. I'm gonna wait for the 1 hour to close, and that's it. I mean, it's not bad. Definitely wouldn't be a bad trade. So, bad idea. I like taking my entries on the 30-minute and 1 hour just because they're strong. They're overall stronger time frames, stronger confirmations. Yeah, and wait for 4 hours to close too. You got the last 15-minute hourly candle here. What I've seen in my experience is with the last 15-minute hourly candle is it's likely to pull back. So yeah, wait for the 4 hour close.
4 hour. What's good, fam? Why the silence? Oh, my bad. Why the silence? You gotta talk to the guys on Zoom. John, did you take anything in London? I forgot. Nothing?
Nope.
Nice. London's been a little slow. Just what, Monday night or Tuesday night?
Yeah, the last 2 nights there was no trades. I think
Gotcha.
I got one trade this week.
Getcha. Love the patience you've instilled in me, Nick. I'll forever be grateful. Oh, nice. That's awesome. Yeah, that's what I'd be saying to Don when I talk to him, bro. Appreciate that. Appreciate it. Yeah, I got a little bit more news here at 10. Looks like we got higher numbers for that, so yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. Straight back down. Yeah, we'll see it. 15-minute close with no bottom wick. Last 15 minutes usually a pullback, like I think I heard John saying. So yeah, we'll see, man. If we can close even lower down here, that'd be perfect. We may get a wick fill here.
Wow, ready for a pack off.
Yo, did you see the shirts?
The juice box one I saw, that was fire.
That's clean.
Facts. Definitely got to sketch up some more designs.
Yeah, those ones are fly though. I like the I like these ones. These ones are pretty cool too.
Facts, yeah, I like those.
Black is pretty dope. This one, like, how cool would it be, like, time to eat, and on the back it just says man down with exclamation points. We got a bleeder. And
I
like,
like that one.
Yeah.
put like the bleeder, like, not just like spell it out, but like lowercase e, lowercase capital, you know, DER. I think that'll be cool. Yeah, these ones are fly too. Juice.
I love that
TTE
one. That
juice
one's
box.
awesome. That one's really awesome.
Yeah, this one is fly. I really do like this one right here. This one's cool too, where it's like smaller.
There's something about like that logo is just cool as hell.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, no, I
Stands
like
out.
this.
We'll be rocking that.
Yeah, these are pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll get some more drawn up.
Mm-hmm. They're good startups though.
Yeah. Yep. Yep. We'll see. Hey guys, my take on USD CAD. Any feedback? Let's take a look. So buys above here, closure, 30-minute time frame, sells below this low. Yeah, not bad, man. Looks good. Looks good. Partials right here, partials here. Yeah, it looks clean. Looks really good. I like that. Yep. Looks very clean. Oh, we got a new desk set up here. Hey, 2 of them. All right. What else? Hey, you got your magic keys. All right, cool. Man, look at those. I hope you got blue light glasses on. I could just feel the blue light coming out of this picture.
Seriously.
Oh, late. Nick, thanks, bro, for what you guys are doing. God bless you, brothers. Hey, man, thanks, Bradley. What blue light glasses do you recommend? I have these ones. These are Gunner Sage. These ones are pretty good. I think Uncle Scalp's wearing the same ones.
Yes.
Yeah, I gotta get some.
Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do.
Called Gunner.
Gunner.
GU. Is it AR or ER? I think AR.
GUNNAR.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah,
Essential.
I don't wear glasses. Like, I just wear these blue light glasses. All right, is this candle gonna close with no top wick here? Got 2 minutes left. 15 celery? Oh yeah, maybe. Possibly, but we need a steep bottom wick because this is a new 4-hour candle. Go call them and get the affiliate link. Hey yo, I got 600 people watching every day. Give me the affiliate link. Uh-oh, we might close on a top wick here.
By now.
Buy now. Buy now with a minute and 11 seconds left in this 4-hour candle. Yo fam, where's Sam? I don't know. I think Sam hashtag where's Sam, gang?
I'm here.
Oh, there he is.
So I got my headset on.
He's just not
I'm coming.
he's just not in the screen. That's all.
I'm waiting. There's nothing yet.
He's waiting. Just wait on it.
Wait,
Yeah.
watch my camera. You're about to see me walk through.
Hey, there he is. Looks like a nice sunny day there.
What it is, those do.
What were you doing out there, Sam? Let's see.
I was in the kitchen.
I was in the kitchen. He was cooking it up for us, gang. You smell it?
Actually, I had to make a call to the banks.
Oh, he called the banks for us. Perfect.
It was a setup.
He called
Roger that.
he called JP.
Yeah.
Mr. Powell on the line. Bro, what? Sam's message for you all today is simple.
Just wait on it.
Just wait on it.
Wait on it.
All right.
That
All right.
guy TK, he says I got a margin call.
All right, chat. We're gonna need a bottom wick here. That's first things first. We need a bottom wick.
DID.
We will not be. I will not be entering on these sells here. I mean, these buys. I'm sorry. We need a steep bottom wick because we have a new 4-hour candle here. So I want to see a bottom wick. You see these wicks here? See these wicks, how they've come down right into the zone? That's where I want to see wicks. You see wicks, 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 wicks. See how many wicks are in this zone right here? Just scan it. Just look at it. Right? That's where I want to see it. Okay? This is the zone I'm talking about.
Look at that.
Yeah, well.
Would you look at that?
Yeah, there's a few more blemishes on
There's
the
a few
car.
more
Oh
wicks.
my gosh, just look at
The
it.
car is not perfect.
Just
Right.
look at it.
Right here.
Just look at it.
Yeah.
Right here.
What the heck is that?
Right here.
Oh, look at it. You got me running all around the car.
Alright, this is where I want to see a bottom wick for the 4-hour candle. Right in this zone. Would you look at that? So let's see. Now we
Just wait on it.
just wait on it. Now we just wait on it.
Oh.
Any moves coming in soon? I think so. Hey, Sandman's in the building. What up, Sandman? How you doing? He's here. Austin flew back from Cali last night and flew into Campfire. Yeah. Or we may get a 30-minute celery. Chat, no matter what today, we're taking a trade at 9:30. No matter what. I don't care what price action looks like. We're gonna guess a side, and that's what we're gonna do. All right, that's the plan. All right, will we get what we asked for? That's the deal. That's the deal here, chat. We got to deal with the markets right now. And it's either a bottom wick down here and the break of the highs will have buy stops, or possibly a celery play, or we might just close below and move on down. Let's wait on it. Charts will tell us. Yep, exactly. Was it Joe Rogan? Nah. Nope. Joey Rogue. Just wait on it. Just hanging around. What are you doing? Who, me? Just hanging around. Yeah, you see the wicks in this range here? It's looking good. See all these wicks right here? This is looking good. So let's take a look here, right? We got 4 hours bullish, 1 hour is bullish, 30 minutes bullish, 15 minutes bullish, and 5 minute may continue down to create a steeper bottom wick for the 4 hour candle, but that's fine. But we are starting to get on the right page here, right? Things are starting to line up and the trade is starting to fall into our lap. I am, let's see.
Would you just look at it?
Just look at it. So I am going to have buy stops on the break of these highs here.
Let's go.
Yeah,
It's time.
the stops are going to be kept below the current candle low. And I think they're like 21 pips. $31 pips. 31 pips. Dun, dun. And then if we don't get activated by, like, let's say by like 9:20 ish, then we will delete it and we will wait for 9:30. Yeah, I would not mind waiting for 9:30 here anyway. But we'll keep the buy stops, and then if we move into like the candle closing, then we will we'll delete them. But I'm expecting the 5 to start pushing down a little bit more, and then create a support down here before breaking the highs. So yeah, that gives us time. 15 minute, 30 minute. I'm expecting to close maybe something just like this, and then we get a celery play moving on up at 9:30. Yeah, something like that. Juicer. Yeah, I'll probably go break even right around these areas here. Yeah, probably right around this resistance up here. So what would that be? That would be about 40 pips. Oh, nice. Yeah, we got a nice range here. Got a very nice range. Just make sure you count for spread here on your buy stops. Make sure they're actually above the highs. I don't want anybody getting tapped in prematurely. But we may wait for the 30-minute seller. It just depends on the time here. Just wait on it. Let me just send this out. So we got. Yeah, stops are gonna be sitting below this candle. So 1957. And yeah, we'll see what happens here. We may end up waiting for 9:30, but we'll see. 9:30 be ideal.
Just another trade here. That's what we do. We're traders.
Traders trade, man. Traders trade.
They book calls. To do our job, and this is what we do.
Yeah. Taking the trade no matter what. Finally, you're trading like me. Was at the 9:30. We're taking no matter what. We're taking a trade at 9:30. Why do you need a bottom wick there in mentioned area? Because if we look left, we have a new 4-hour candle, right? So that 4-hour candle's got to make a bottom wick. So if it's gonna make a bottom wick, where could we expect it? Well, we have wicks here, we have wicks here, we have wicks down here, we have all these wicks in here. If we look at like a 1 hour as well, if you look left, you see all these wicks, 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 wicks. So that's ideally where you want to see that next bottom wick. Got to break that high. If we don't break the high, you should not get activated. We may wait for a seller play. Like I'm talking about the candles. May wait. Why delete if not activated at 9:20 and wait for 9:30? Any reason? Yeah, because we don't want to get activated and then the candle closes and now we got to wait for another bottom wick. So if it's close to the candle closing, then it's probably best to just wait. And that way we enter on the next 30-minute candle.
You got rid of them?
No, I still got them.
So,
Yeah, I'll keep these until like 9:20ish. Yeah, the next 5-minute may activate us. When you send buy stops in the Discord, do you send it to the public one? No, just the signals channel. On the 30-minute, what do we call the setup? Yeah, it's a breakout. Yep. Yeah, this would be a breakout. So if we break the highs and enter, we're entering off a breakout. If we wait for this 30-minute candle to close, then we are waiting for like a seller replay. Yep. Activated. Oh, not me. Not yet. Where are the stops? Stops are going to be kept below the current candle. They're about, I believe they were 31 pips. Yeah, about 31 pips. Ideally, I would love to see the candle close just the way it is, and then we get activated on the next 30-minute candle.
Yeah.
So something like this is really the position that I'm looking to be in. So we'll see what we get here. I just want to get my magic keys in the mail. Oh my god, yeah. Oh, okay, yeah. Magic keys is a game changer. Hey, 600 people on here. Appreciate you guys coming by. If you guys aren't subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel and like the stream. Appreciate you guys being here today, and we may be in for a good ride here on gold. Got activated because of spread. Yeah, that's why I mentioned to you guys, make sure it's a little bit above so you're accounting for spread here. All right, 15-minute candle is gonna close here. I don't want to get activated here, so I'm just gonna delete it real quick, and I'm gonna add it back in 20 seconds when the 15-minute candle closes, because the last thing I want to do is get activated and the candle closes with no top wick or something, and now we're in a position for no reason. So I'm just gonna add these right back in 10 seconds here. All right, perfect. Perfect. All right, so they're back. Another little push down would be great here. Yeah, we got a 15-minute celery, but I'm probably expect this 15-minute to push down as well. And then 9:30 we have like this like triple celery type of thing going on. Take a look at GJ while we wait. Still in the range. Let's take a look at US 30 as well. Yeah, there we go. Beautiful. Perfect. Yeah, now if we come up and break the highs, we should be good to go on this 15. If not, we may be waiting for more volume here at 9:30. Did you delete the buy stops? No, I still have them. I will delete them though in a few minutes if we don't get activated. Yeah, at this point, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna delete the buy stops and we're gonna add them back when this 30-minute candle closes. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Because at this point, I'd rather wait for the highest probability setup I know, and I know that this is the highest probability setup off the 30-minute. So we're gonna wait for that. Yeah, we're gonna wait. You guys can keep them if you want. You know, I'm willing to let it go. If it goes, it goes. I'm willing to wait now for the next candle for a much higher probability setup. But if you guys want to keep them, you're more than welcome to keep them. You know, I'm just going to delete them based off of experience here. I hope everyone's able to find peace. Yeah, hey, where you guys at? Chat, where'd you go? You're like, all right, we deleted. I can breathe again. What made you delete it? I want to wait for the 30-minute candle. Remember I said around 9:20 we'll delete? So that's why. Yeah, you guys know now what we're going to wait for. We're going to wait for a 30-minute celery play at 9:30. So this 30-minute candle tells us a lot. It's basically going to tell us right here, right now, is I'm either going up or down based on the closure. If we do close below, then I would expect price to continue down. But if we do close above, then I am expecting to see a nice push to the top side. So big candle here. Big candle. When you say you'll wait for a setup to 4-hour lap, man, that's the best lesson for patience and psychology. Appreciate it, bro. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, now we're just going to wait for the 30-minute celery to fall right into our lap. You know? You know? And when you wait like this, sometimes you risk price just driving on you. In the SV... Ooh.
She goes, she goes.
If she goes, man. What made you remove the buy stops? You mentioned if it closed above last high, you should go up, but you say buy stop was already above. Yeah, like I just said, like I'd rather wait now for a 30-minute celery. So what I'm waiting for is this candle. I want to see price close just like this on the 30-minute time frame. And then what I'll do is I'll re-add the buy stops, and now we have a much higher probability setup. Now what happens is you have a celery play, and that should drive us up at 9:30. Yeah, this play has worked out for us many times. It's a 92% win rate. So I'd rather, instead of settling down for an 85, 84% win rate right here, we can wait for a 92% win rate. Because we know volume's coming in at 8:30, right? If you guys don't trade gold, or you never did, we understand that volume will enter the market at 8:30, and if this high is gonna break, it's most likely the move's gonna happen at 8:30 here. So I want to see it close just like this. This is picture perfect. Picture perfect. But like I said, you guys can keep your buy stops if you like. You know, that's just the reason I'm doing it. But if you guys want to keep these buy stops, go right ahead. Just wait on it. Let's see here. 9:30 for me, yeah, nice. Yeah, 9:30 for me too. You only trade gold and GJ? Yeah, pretty much. We watch US30 every day too, but not really trading it yet. If this stream taught me one thing, it's patience and just wait on it. Yeah. Yep. Because now you may get tapped in, and this candle may drive, you know. And as a professional trader, you just got to say it is what it is, right? It's okay. But yeah. So if you're deleting the buy stops, just make sure you're cool with this candle just driving without you. If you're not cool with that, maybe keep them, maybe delete them. I don't know. It's up to you. But spread would have definitely probably tapped us in there. Yeah, let's take a look at US 30 there. Look, it's frozen. US 30. Oh yeah, nice. Who took those sells? Worked out perfectly. You had your first range, your range 2 breakout, top wick, flip of the candle, come down, retest the lows, bada bing, bada boom. Who took them? Anyone?
No, sir.
There is the break of the highs. So let's see what the 5 minutes doing. If it drives, it drives. Either way, we're gonna probably be in on 9:30 as long as we got a wick and stuff. Boom. All right, you had a 5 close, I think, here, right? Yeah. Yeah, I'm waiting for 9:30 here. Give me 1 sec, I'll be right back.
Someone said the first time they traded on a Friday, they thought the charts were broken. The market closed. I'm sure you weren't the only one that's happened to. Jose, you got the sell part of your analysis in the Discord? Yeah, let me look at that back again. W though. Where was that at? Was it in I cannot find it. Someone put a FAQ out in the London session chat.
Back out. Yo. Man, I love that.
New York session Discord? Alright, maybe I'm blind, bro. Oh, you're Jose. Makes sense. Jose is Jose.
Jose Canseco. Jose Canseco. Oh, would you look at that?
Just like that. You marked it up. You even shared it into the Discord. Executed. And boom, you got yourself a W, so. Awesome, Jose. Awesome.
W for Jose?
Yeah, he got the sells for US 30.
Oh, nice. Yeah, those are clean.
Put his analysis. Yeah, I think you looked at it earlier. Around 8 a.m. Which country are you from, admin? Someone says he is from Pakistan.
Pakistan. All right, let's see. Oh. All right, we got 2 minutes here. 2 minutes. We got a little bit of a higher entry now, but about 6 pips. See what happens. Dum, 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 dum.
Love from Pakistan. Yes, love to Pakistan.
600 plus watching here today. Appreciate you guys coming by.
Yeah, beautiful.
Love from Pakistan.
Can we get 400 likes?
Yeah, I think we can. We're 8 away. Can we get 400 likes?
I think that's very, very doable.
In the next 1 minute, so we can reset these buy stops. Doom, 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 doom. Uh, 1970. All right, it looks pretty clean on the 15 too now. If we get a new bullish candle, break the high, it should continue on up with the volume here.
You set them, Nick?
Yes, so going to have some buy stops. break of the 15-minute high here. Yeah, we break that high, we should be gone. So buy stops, break of the highs, 1961, 35-ish. And then what we'll do is we'll look to move stops to break even right around this area up top, and see if we can get to 1970 here today. All right, I think I've been activated. Yep.
Yeah.
So I am activated in this position. Got it to some buys based off of the 30-minute celery play here. Stops are going to be entries here. TP is going to be up here. Stops will be below the 15-minute candle, which is right here. And yeah, looks pretty clean. So let's see if we can make our way up. We got volume on our side. We've broken the 15-minute highs, so it should be good.
It looks perfect.
Yeah, it looks good. So now we wait. Now we wait on it. Now we wait on it. All right, cool. Sweet. Activated. Yep, me too. I'm in. Yeah, we should have volume kicking in, and we should be able to drive up here. I could totally see us tap it into 1970 here for sure. Really loving the way you guys trade. I want to learn. Oh yeah, just show up to the stream every day and you'll learn a lot. This setup right here is a 92% win rate, not 100%, but a 92% win rate. And yeah, pretty confident. Let's just begin to mark this trade up. So this was 9:30 a.m. 6 what is it? 8. 23. This is a gold buy. This is a breakout. Yeah, breakout. 30-minute salary play. Bro, why does that freeze up every time I go here? That's weird. Full risk, and yeah. Just wait on it. What's the TP and the stop loss? Right here. Right here. Everything's on the screen. Why is the stop placed under the 15? You could place it under the 30. It's only like a pip away.
Go, let's go.
All right, we got a 5-minute candle closing.
Boom, there we go. Pop. Very nice one. There we go.
All right, so I'm gonna move stops to break even now, because we are approaching this level right here that I'm looking at. It's right here, this one right there. So I'm gonna move stops to break even. I'm also gonna close half of my position here at 18 pips here. So I closed half my position. And now let's see if we can get this thing to run. So W. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Hey, yo, chat. Close.
All we did was just wait on it. See, that's the thing, chat. You know, the reason why the trade has such a high win rate is because it doesn't show up it doesn't show up all the time. That's why you just gotta be patient.
Patience. And now we see if we can get a runner to go. That's all.
Yep.
And that's how it's
That's all we
done.
do.
There it is. 22 pips.
Yeah, so you should easily be up 20 pips.
Hey, W and
Hey, yo. Hey, spam the chat with W's here. And let's see if we can continue on up.
just another trade.
Another trade, gang.
Ooh, chat quaking.
Quake.
Beautiful.
There it goes. Just wait on it. There goes the spams in the chat. Now we're breaking past this level here. Very, very nicely. We're pushing past it, and we should continue up.
See the volume.
Hey, $5, David. Yeah, appreciate that, man. Juicer, boys. There it is. Get your juice boxes out, boys.
Yeah,
Hey,
get the juicers in the chat.
Type a juice
Yeah,
box
juice
in the
boxes
chat
in the
if
chat.
you took that one.
Let's go.
You gotta get a
Oh,
juice.
Austin and Red are here.
Oh yeah, pushing. Creeping on 30 pips here.
Beautiful. For 600 plus, too.
Yeah, let's see it.
Yeah, now we just see if we get runners here.
Juice boxes for the chat. Let's go.
Yeah, throw the juice boxes in.
Thanks.
That's too funny.
Oh, wow. Goose box is gone.
Juicers. Yeah, another day in the markets here, chat. The patience pays.
Another discipline. Yep.
Just beautiful.
Oh, by the way, recheck Amazon. It was not returned.
Tandy's getting yelled at like, why you ain't get my Amazon order yet? All right, awesome. Pumping.
It's right now, dog. That's why.
Tandy's making that money right now, big.
Tandy's eyes are like this.
Oh,
going.
man.
He's like trying to pay attention to trade and listen at the same time.
Yeah,
30
buddy.
pips.
Just beautiful. Another one here, man.
Another one.
Yeah, I'm up 35 pips here. Oh,
Let's go.
36,
yeah.
37.
That's
30,
jokes.
34 pips.
Yo, look at him in the chat. Juicy with the emojis. I like that. Game over. Game over.
36 pips.
Yep. Game over. That's all we do.
Hey, chat.
Another one.
Another one. There it is.
Yeah, I was gonna tell you.
All right,
gotta
you
play
should
that
you should see a
gallery.
push here. You're gonna see a nice push here. Watch.
Nick, I passed phase 2 of 1 trade.
You did?
Yes.
You did?
I'm about to. I'm halfway there. I'm
Oh,
almost
nice,
more than
dude.
halfway there.
Let's go.
Uncle Scout.
Yo,
Beautiful scalp.
let's go, dog.
Let's go.
That's what we do. That's what we do out here.
Hey, bro. It's the new norm.
I can buy a new car today. Yo, that's how you do it. She's a squirter? Okay.
Yo, chat, you guys are funny.
That one.
Are you trailing stops? Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna trail my stops a little bit here. So I'm gonna put my stops about 10 pips in profit. So we're up 40 pips. I'm gonna go, yeah, about 10 pips in profit here on stop loss. So we're chilling. Looking good, looking good. That's why we call it a salary, because it pays the most. Yeah, exactly. There you go. Someone was saying something about, I don't even know, triple RSI, but it's gonna reject, it's gonna go down. I mean, where do you see price looking like it's gonna go down here? You know, forget all that, man. Price action.
Yeah,
Yeah, the
literally.
eyes indicator. The eyes
One more
indicator.
pop.
Time to buy new toys, yeah.
I need one more pop. 945 volume.
Yeah, what are you risking, Uncle?
Right now I'm risking 3%, 9K.
Beautiful, bro.
Dang. My man.
My man.
That's what you do.
That's normal though. It's not over risking. Like, right?
No, no.
Nah, you good.
I risk 2%.
Yeah, I risk 5, so that's what I do.
Yeah, and that's the trade.
That's all she wrote.
GJ's still messing around.
Keep going, keep going. Let's go.
So guys, like the stream, sub to the channel. We're doing this in front of 600 plus people, calling entries, calling stop losses, partials, take profits. If you haven't liked the stream and sub to the channel, do us a favor and like it up. You still have half your position open. I'm closing another half actually right here, because now we're coming up to this original level here. So yeah, I'm closing another half right here. So I'm 75% out of this trade now. So if this thing wants to run, my stops are also 10 or 11 pips in profit. Now we're gelling.
And then they left.
And then they left.
Then they do.
Change my name after today. Salary yesterday. Oh, future FX. Can you explain once again why you had some doubts and deleted and back with the buy stop? So I didn't have any doubts. That wasn't the reason for the buy stop. That wasn't the reason for deleting it. The reason for deleting the buy stop was because we were approaching, if you look at the time up here, we were approaching the closure of the 30-minute candle. And I did not want to get tapped in right here, and we would have, right? We would have went just a couple pips in profit, with the potential for us to now pull back, create a steeper bottom wick. I didn't want to be in the trade for that. So I was willing to sit tight and wait for 9:30. And if this would have happened before we got in the trade, you know, it is what it is, right? But I want to wait for the highest probability setup I can find. And, you know, that's why we deleted. We waited, you know, a couple minutes for the next candle to close. And then look, the power came at 9:30, right? Just what we were talking about. Power coming in at 9:30, volume coming in at 9:30. So that's what we really wanted to take advantage of. So beautiful. So yeah, I closed more partials right here at 47 pips. Done. Done deal. Let's get a picture of this beauty. If you guys took that trade and you're gonna post it on Instagram, tag me on IG and I will repost it. Juicers, yep.
That was a nice 2%er.
Is it still a salary play since it closed bullish? Yes. Yep, still a salary play. I was talking about this at one of the Time to Eat Elite guys yesterday, that it doesn't really matter if it closes bullish, bearish. It's not it's not how it closes, it's mainly where it closes. And as long as that was closing above this area here, excuse me, then we were good to go. Like if the candle would have closed bearish below the range, then we would have probably looked to take sells. But being that we were above this range here and above this range as well, then the buys were still in play. Yeah, especially above this range here. This was the nearest one, and we were closing above that. If we
Trades
would
like this.
Go ahead, bro.
No, I'm sorry for interrupting you. Keep going.
No, all good.
Oh yeah, like when you hit trades like this, chat, like you get comfortable with missing out on other trades. Like
Yep.
you get comfortable with waiting.
Yeah, that's a
Then
good
you
point.
get a nice 30, 35, 40 pip move like this, and you're chilling.
Yep. Yeah, we should continue on up here.
Yet again, good things happen when you follow your plan, right?
Yeah, exactly.
More proof of it.
Exactly. See how cool we were, how calm we were, how composed we were. We've seen this over and over again, right? We've seen this hundreds of times play out. So it's not something new to me. It's something that I'm very comfortable getting into and letting ride, right? So pretty clean, pretty clean. Pretty clean. All right. So 15 close as well here. So we may get a bottom wick here and then probably re-break the high, or hey, we may not get a bottom wick. So these are the times, chat, when you don't care for a bottom wick, right? When you're already 49 pips deep into a position, this is when you just want to see price just rocket ship. So
Love you, Scott.
we'll see if we get that here today. Today. Let's see.
Yeah, I want to see past that, bro. That's nuts.
You want to see what?
Scalp get that.
I should
He
have.
will. He will.
I could have held it.
It's okay.
No.
It's alright.
Good, bro. W.
Yeah,
I
you want to
close at
follow your
2%.
plan. Your
Close
plan,
it too.
your plan is way more important than you passing a challenge. Trust me.
Yeah, I closed at 2%.
You-
Yeah.
Yeah, you
You're
follow
not
your plan
letting
alone,
people
we'll pass your challenge, bro.
Yes,
no,
sir.
100%. 100%.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we have such a high win rate. Like,
Yeah, bro, I'm not worried about
Sheesh.
it.
Running
You know,
63
ain't no stress.
pips.
I'm preaching to the choir here.
63 pips here. Came up from nothing.
So everyone in here is kind of saying they feel like they closed early.
No, you didn't.
I took 75% off of the table there at 10 pips.
Yeah.
So
I took
that makes
50
you feel
off
any
at.
better, and I'm chilling.
Yeah. You guys did not close early. You guys followed your plan. Be happy about that. Celebrate that. That's more important than catching extra pips. I promise you. I promise you. You
100%.
following your plan long term will make you extremely successful. You don't want to take a beautiful win and then just be like, I could have did this, I could have done that. Like, nah. You gotta stick with your plan. Your plan becomes before all and everything.
Okay. Actually, I lied. It wasn't 10 pips. It was 17.
I closed half at 17, and then I closed another half at about 42 pips. And then we may start to reject here, right? Because now you see no bottom wick yet, so we'll see.
This daily candle is nuts.
Honestly, I'm probably just gonna close my full position right here. Done. It is what it is. That's good enough for me.
That is good.
Shoulda, coulda, woulda, right? If you secured profits here, W.
Yeah. We could have used current candle stops. Yeah, you could have. Yep. I closed full. I closed full at 48 pips.
Beautiful.
W chat.
That was so nice. So nice.
Juicer.
Honey, guess where I'm taking you tonight? Bradley.
Alright, so we'll let's mark this
I'm
up.
not what you said earlier.
And what did we say? 48? W. Bada bing, bada boom. What'd I tell you guys?
Just wait on it. Another one.
Another one. And that's the trade of the day. Juice box, yep. Oh yeah, let me do this real quick too. Just give me 1 sec. Cool, good stuff. On to the next one now, right?
We were nearly 0 drawdown.
Yeah, did we get any drawdown? I don't think I've seen any drawdown.
No,
I don't remember any.
It just kind of popped up, and then it was floating around like 5-ish pips around there, and then after the 5-minute candle closure, if I'm not wrong, that's where it kind of went.
Yeah, too easy.
Oh, so I don't think I saw any drawdown on that.
Yeah,
Yep.
no, that one went right up.
Yeah, you see, you notice how we weren't crying about missing this move, like, oh my god, I missed the move. No, right? You see how we just waited for price to now. Remember, what did I say before 8:30 today? We're gonna wait for price to move. We're gonna allow the news come out. We're gonna let the dust settle. Right? This is where the dust settled, and then we're gonna get in our position. And that's exactly what happened here. Exactly what happened. What do we talk about all the time? Let the trade fall into your lap. Don't go out trying to find it. You know, when your trade setup is there, it's gonna stick out like a sore thumb. You're gonna know immediately. This is the setup, and that's why I love our playbook so much, and I love our strategy and our system, is because it's obvious. When the trade is there, it should be obvious to you. You shouldn't be guessing. You shouldn't be zooming in. Did it make a bottom wick? Did it not make a bottom this? It should be completely blatantly obvious that it's your setup, and it should be calling your name. So that's what happens when you stick to the plan. Can you share the trading journal link? Yeah, it's in the Discord. So if you guys aren't a part of our free Discord, join the Discord here. So yeah, Signals channel 82. You see, I told them delete as well, and then re-add everything back. So Yeah, if you come up here to announcements, you will see it right here. So just scroll up a little bit and you'll see it there. Cool. But yeah, if you guys took that trade, very nice job. Round of applause. Good work.
That was money.
Wow, what a W. Close with, oh nice, 1,400 points. 149 pips, beautiful. Wow, 2 accounts, nice. Thank God I discovered Nick 1 month ago in his live streams. Oh, praise God. You didn't play Bruce Buffer, I know. I was thinking about that. I was thinking about it. 0 drawdown for Donald, nice. How many lots? That was I took an 8 lot out on that because I was using those 30-minute stops, which are like, I think they were like 39 pips. Yeah, they were 39 pips, so I just lowered my lot. I usually use a 10 lot, just lowered it to an 8 lot. I'm up 1.7 off that, nice. Yeah, same here. Honey, guess what I'm taking you now. After what happened to me, because of me, on NFP last Friday, I will never trade news again. There you go. We all figure that out at some point.
Yeah, did you realize it's just like kind of not worth it?
Yeah, it's really not. It's really not.
Like, wait for the good setups. I just think that it's like, I don't know, there's too much that could go wrong.
Yeah. Nick, you're a great trader as well as a great human. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. I'm not a great human though. I'm a sinner saved by the grace of God. Hallelujah. Donald, I am chill. Are you using Donnie's strategy? Donnie, yeah. So I was a student on Don's stream for the last 2.5 years, and then this year I decided to start my own stream, based off of a lot of stuff that I learned from him. What's the name of the track I'm playing? I have no idea. I don't even know the name of this song.
Wow, what a move that was.
What a move, eh? Still going?
Still going.
Join the free Discord.
3% left.
Close 80% at 54 pips. Very nice. Sweet call. Took the W with 3K. Awesome. Biggest win with you so far. Grateful. Oh, nice. I told you guys we're going to have a big win today.
Yeah, we said it. We did say it.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure I said, did I say it last night in the Discord?
Pushing.
Pretty sure I said it last night.
Dude, I just love how this daily camera looks.
Facts. Ripping, we're pushing up. How much you got for the 8 lots? I made about 1,600 here today. 1,700. I made a Dominican police officer's salary here in one trade. Let's go. How long did it take you to develop this patience and composure? About going on 4 years now, right? Still developing it every day, still getting better, still fixing, tweaking, adjusting. So, you know, been trading for 4 years now. Pretty consistent with gold every morning for the New York session for about 2.5 years now. So, yeah, that's what made all the difference.
You know when I started getting consistent and patient?
When
I got sick of losing.
There you go. Got sick and tired of being sick and tired.
When I got sick of taking bad trades, and I said, damn, I said, this YouTube guy knows what he's talking about.
This random guy on YouTube, man, he knows something. He's onto something here.
I said, wait a second. How come I'm taking L's and he's not? Maybe I should listen to this YouTube guy.
He used to hit me up like, yo, what's going on, man? I mean, I took this trade, I took that one, and took this one. I'm like, oh, I only took this one trade. He's like, oh, I see. So the biggest thing I think we worked on was just getting rid of unnecessary trading and unnecessary losses, really. And that fixed you up.
It sure did.
Yeah. Feels good, right?
It feels like you have the cheat codes in Grand Theft Auto.
How many of you guys felt really good in that trade? Like, you guys weren't too nervous, you guys weren't too worried. Some of you guys have started to see this over and over again as we take these positions, and that's how you want to feel in every trade. You want to feel confident, you want to feel good in every trade, and the way you do that is by waiting for your A+ setups and only waiting for your playbook setups to show up. Because number one, that's where you have the data, and then that data brings the confidence, right? So, love it. But yeah, yeah, it takes time. It takes time. 0.5% away from passing phase 1. Oh, Laron, he won the challenge account too. So it looks like he's about to pass his phase 1. Good work.
Beautiful. Shout out to Laron.
How many pips is your usual stop loss? It's not like it's the certain amount of pips every time. It's wherever market structure is giving me a stop, that's where I put it. So in this case, it was about 39 pips here, right? Yeah, this case it was about 40 pips. But when there's a celery play, you could actually use this right here, and it could have been 17 pips, right? But yeah, I just kept mine. So in this case, it was 39 pips, and that was it. If I would have missed a move, let's say, and I would have maybe got in on this move, then my stop loss would have been 15 pips. So it's never one size fits all. You always got to take a look at the markets and see what they're telling you. The markets decide where your take profit is. The markets decide where your stop loss is. The markets decide where you go break even. They decide everything. I decide nothing. The only thing I decide is to listen to the markets. The markets will give you every clue you need. But can you develop the eye for it? Can you show up consistently enough to get the hang of it, right? To get the rhythm of it. So someone asked earlier, is it good to only trade one pair? And these are the reasons why it's good to only trade one pair. Is because we understand when the volume's coming in. We understand, hey, let's take those buy stops down real quick. Let's wait for this 30-minute candle to close, right? We understand how to protect ourselves. Because trading isn't necessarily all about making money, it's about preserving money, right? Preserving your capital, making sure you're waiting and not settling for anything below your means. So stops are always going to be different, but the way I determine the stops is I ask the market, where's my stop loss going to be? And in this case, it was below the 15 lows or even the 30-minute low, and that was 40 pips, 39 pips. Yeah, that's why you don't want to have any goals. You don't want to, you don't want to say, every trade I keep a 10 pip stop or I keep a 20 pip stop. Those are random. Those are just random things that you made up. The market, that has nothing to do with the market, right? I'm gonna just have a 10 pip stop on every trade. Like, that just doesn't make sense, right? Or I need to make 50 pips on every trade, or I need to make 50 pips every day. That just, yeah, that's not a smart way to go about it.
Yeah, like what we did was logical. Like it wasn't based on the amount of pips. It was based on, okay, there's a level here. This is when we go break even. This is when we trail our stops. This is when we take profit, based on levels, logical levels.
Yep. And the way you do that is simply by scanning left. Right? Scanning left. This was our first area in which we could reject from. So that's when I went break even right there. And that was like, I believe, 15 or 16 pips in profit. And then this was like your partials right here. Because at any point, you see how price came up and then down. All right, price came up and then down. So at any point right here, we could either blast through or we could reject. So at that point, that's where I want to close partials. I want to see, hey, the market has this much for me. Let me take 80% of that and secure that. And then if we get the runner, we get the runner. Great. If not, no big deal, right? So that's kind of the idea behind it. Very comfortable. There you go. I felt good, wasn't nervous. Yep. I used the same learning and applied on GU. Oh, nice. Beautiful. Do you already backtest how long for your strategy? Oh yeah. Did I already backtest this? Yes, absolutely. I sample sized this for almost 3 years. Before you guys ever met me, before you ever knew my name, before you even knew who I was, before you ever even plugged onto the stream. For 2.5 years before that, I've been sample sizing and trading this system. Since I follow you, I'm comfortable even when I lose. Yeah, if we would have lost this trade, I would have been totally fine with it as well. I wouldn't have made any difference in my day whether or not I won this trade or lost this trade, because that's not up to me. The only thing I control is not whether I win or whether I lose. The only thing I control is by following my system, following my strategy, and executing on price, on trades when price calls me to do that. Everything else, once we've executed, our job has been done, and then now the trade falls into the hands of probability. And in this case right here, we had a 9.2% out of 10 of winning this trade. So you put it into the hands of probability and you let it go.
Chat. We haven't lost a trade on gold in exactly 3 weeks.
3 weeks, huh?
3 weeks.
Yeah, because that was GJ, right? That last L we took.
Yeah.
That's my 4th W in June. And we're only in the first week.
Yeah, because you don't trade pound yen, right?
No, I stopped trading pound yen.
Yeah.
For now I do.
Yeah, that was lovely. I'm looking good here. What's your next thought process? Probably close my charts, go hang out with my wife and kids. Oh, actually, we got I got a couple of one-on-ones and a couple time to eat elite sessions today. So I'm gonna be sitting down. I think I got 3 or 4 sessions to do today. If you guys ever want to book a coaching call, you can book it. The link is in the description here on YouTube. But yeah, I'm going to be working with some of the Time to Eat Elite guys today, and I'm going to be doing a few one-on-one sessions today. A couple coaching calls. So I'm actually pretty busy today. Pretty busy here today. And I love it, man. You know, shut the charts here and then just continue to do what I love, things that are based around helping people and based around the charts. So yeah, we should break this high and continue up to full target here. How do you know when to go from taking 80% to taking 50%? Just experience? No. So this is how I determine that, right? Good question, Scott. So let's take a look. If we close above here, how big is the range that we have, right? This is the range we're looking at. So we have a pretty big range here. So if we have a really big range, what I want to do is I want to leave a nice bulk of my position open, right? So if I'm gonna close partials somewhere around like 20 to 30 pips and we still have another 50 pips to go, I'm gonna leave half that thing to go, right? But let's say we close partials here and our resistance is right here, which is like, let's say we close partials at 23, but really the range is only gonna give us about 40. In this case, I'll just close 80 because I know we don't have much of a range to go, and I'll just lock in the bulk of my position. But if we're closing at 20, let's say 30, and we have, you know, looking at a 90 pip range, well, that means we still got a lot of range to go. So I want to leave a bigger position in. to take to the promised land. Because the bigger position, the bigger, you know, lots I have open to continue running, the more I can get out of the trade. So yeah, that's kind of the idea here. Like if this was our resistance right here, and let's say none of this was here, let's black it out. None of this was here, and we're aiming for this area, and we're gonna close partials here. That's when I would just close 80%, because there's really not much room left. So I'll secure the bulk of my position. But again, if there's more range, then I'll leave a bigger position open. Good question though. All of my trades so far have been winners. Only the trades taken with Nick. Oh, nice, on your new funded account. Perfect. How can you get the Excel sheet? Just go to, yeah, it's in the Discord. Just go under the announcements tab. Yeah, go to the announcements section, and you'll find it there. All right, we're approaching full target here. Approaching full target, Uncle Scalp.
Approaching full target. That would have been a phase 2 pass.
Oh, whoops.
That's what this kind of trade is called a challenge buster.
A challenge buster. Yeah, if I were you, I'd just maybe close up full right there. 80 pips. 80. Hey, we got, I think we only need just a few more subscribers here for 3,500. So if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, do us a favor, subscribe to the channel, and do yourself a favor by subscribing to the channel and plugging in with us every day. We're here Monday through Friday, 6:45 a.m. Eastern, every day, trading the New York session, being patient, having fun, and making money. Making money.
And when you subscribe, make sure you put the post notifications on. You always get so many notifications on your phone in the morning anyways. What is one more?
Yeah.
It's just going to benefit you in every single way. Not even just trading.
Yep.
Do yourself a favor. I'm talking to you.
Yeah, I'm talking to you. Felt good, bro. Awesome. Still getting used to it. My heart was in my body. Yeah, get used to winning. If you're gonna jump on the stream, I don't say this cocky, I just say it confidently. Get used to winning. Straight up.
Yep. Yeah, I mean, it's not cocky. I mean, look at the win rate.
Exactly. Another celery play here? Question mark, bro. I'm done. I'm not taking no trades now. Yeah. That's it, man. That's all you need is one banger a day. I was down 1.8, now I'm up 1.8. Look at that. Oh, just to learn. Oh yeah, Gino, just to learn. Yeah. Celery play where? I don't see it. No, I don't see any celery play. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Fake out. That's why we need to wait for a range 2. See that? Got in, break, boom, right into drawdown, getting stopped out right now as we speak. Losing all the money you just made on a beautiful gold buy. When will you learn, man? Let's see. Hey Nick, what's the info for the July time to eat elite? I'm working on saving some money for that since I won't. So we're gonna be opening up 10 new spots in July. We'll probably talk more about that like later on in the month towards June. But right now all the spots are filled. I have one more spot open, but I may just cut it and just stick with this crew. And as this crew basically graduates right out of the 8-week program, they will have the opportunity to go another round. So they'll have first dibs on it, right? So I don't know exactly how many will open up, but you know, we may have close to 10 spots opening up for, and that's going to be one-on-one 8-week mentorship. There is still one spot open for this month if you guys do really want it. But other than that, you know, it's closed down to till July. So once we come towards the end of June, I'll probably start, you know, letting you guys know how many spots are opening up, and pretty much everyone past phase 1 so far on the elite Some guys were in phase 2. I think we had one or two guys that are really close on phase 2 as well. So yeah, a lot of them are taking funding challenges too. So that's kind of like going back and forth doing the coaching with that. But yeah, it's very, very in-depth 8-week mentorship program.
But I've never seen so many people talk about passing funding challenges in any other chat group do. Like,
yeah, man, we're
so
running
many
them
people
up,
are passing them right now.
bro.
Big
I'm super proud of you guys. Some of you guys aren't even in the elite program, and you're passing just based off the stream. So
You guys are killing it.
killing it. Yeah, but I'm really excited, man. This I guess we can call it a fleet of Time to Eat elite group. These guys are really, I'm so proud of these guys. They're making a lot of headway, and I'm looking forward to the next group I get to work with, man. This is something I've always been passionate about, working with people. I've been doing this for 10 plus years now, working with people, and I just love it. So it's been fun. Once I make the FTMO challenge, it'll pay for the elite program. Yes, sir. Yeah. I look forward to seeing all the new faces and all the new people coming in, and every single time, every single run, I get just a little bit better, add a couple new things, and make it a little bit better for everybody in the group. So, but yeah, it's been fun. It's been real fun. Do you think if it breaks this resistance, it'll push up? It could. Yeah, you got clean traffic here coming up even further. So, yeah, it could. For those of you guys trying to call tops and everything on gold, well, just look at that. Just look at it. Gang, what's one thing that you notice here? Remember when we talk about how price always likes to look left and mirror what happened to the left-hand side? Let's get rid of this one. What do you see here? What do you see? Tell me, what do you see? Boom. Predictable. Once you understand price, you understand price action and where we're going to go. This becomes a very easy game. Very, very easy. Simple.
Someone said, how can I control my emotions from not trading with other channels? Please help. I always win on your trade, but keep losing with other streamers. Man, you just got to get sick of losing with other people. Or just losing in general. Simple as that.
Just logically look at your results on each stream.
If you win more here, logically, I mean, wouldn't you want to come here more often? Just don't do it.
Yeah, man. You got to be logical about things in life. Can't be emotional.
It's like eating the thing that you really enjoy, but it hurts your stomach every single time. You might enjoy it, but is it good for you? No.
Yeah.
Stop.
Yeah, and what's not to enjoy about this stream? I mean, what are they talking about on other streams? I don't even know. I know they ain't talking about what we're talking about. I know that. Maybe some things, but not everything.
They might be hitting buy and sell more often.
Yeah, they might. Why does the Asian session... Where'd it go? Alright, let me just catch up there. What's your opinion on my Forex Funded? I've actually never used them, Caleb, so I don't really have an opinion on them. I'm looking into the funded trader though. I may be doing some work with these guys. So I'll let you guys keep you guys posted if I do move to them, but they're seem pretty legit, and I think we can get $1 million in one account with them. So right now I believe you have to combine accounts, but come next year I guess they're working on something where you can buy $1 million challenge, and that's what I'm looking to do. So we'll see. Do you recommend to start with magic keys or first learn without it? No, I recommend just getting magic keys. Yeah, you don't need to learn anything. Just get magic keys, make your trading simple and easy, and yeah, that's it. So you guys should have probably taken profit here. That's close enough, right? What do you get? 83 pips instead of maybe 87? So I would have probably just closed everything. Are you expecting a retracement? Nope, I don't really know. Don't care now. Gold will do whatever it wants to do at this point. Got our move, and we haven't broken the daily highs yet, so if we do break those highs, it should be pretty interesting. So I believe our Monday plan would have worked out if we had a bottom wick on this candle, but looks like gold decided to pump back up. Man, if the daily closes above like these resistances, it should be crazy. So now my only thought now is, where's the daily candle gonna close? I'm not looking at the 1 minute. I see some of you guys looking at the 1 minute right now. I see you. I see you. You're looking at it. You're looking at the 1 minute. You're looking at the 5 minute. After taking a beautiful trade like this, don't do it to yourself. And what do we talk about? The 4 hour candle closing above, making its way up, and that's exactly what it did. Big win today. Thanks, Nick. Yogi L, got you. Work sucks. Ooh. What's your biggest loss? Probably about 5,000, 5%, 5K. Yes, plug in every day. You will get better. Yup. Hashtag love winning. Hey, yes, sir. Remember I said start the chat with W's today in the morning? Because we got to manifest it, right? We gotta do what we want to see. You know what I mean? Typical GJ, that's why I stay away. Yep. Could you give me 2 main points on what the elite offers? Yeah, I mean, it's so basically what we do is it's a 8-week one-on-one mentorship program. So you and I get together 2 to 3 times a week on Zoom. I go extremely deep into my strategy, my system, how I view the markets. We go really, really deep into psychology. We also talk about you as a trader, where you're at in your trading, what your trading goals are, what adjustments that you feel you need to make. And then I have our first meeting is always a game plan session, and we figure those things out. And then I put together a customized curriculum for you. So we take it video or session by session, and we dive deep into whether it's strategy, whether it's system, whether it's psychology. I also give you daily report cards, so you can fill out every single day a report card on your trading session. We go over that, we review all that together. It's one thing to listen to me on stream. It's another thing to sit one-on-one with me 2 to 3 times a week and get to, get explanations, and then Q&A, right? Diving deeper, figuring out those little nuances. So the time to eat is meant for someone that really serious about this. Like if you're trying to take this thing to like full-time or the next level or get yourself funded, that's probably a program for you. And yeah, it's a fun time. So every session's a bit unique and fun in its own way, and yeah, we really dive deep though. And we also go over a lot of things like off the charts as well. So yes, I'm passionate about helping people with trading, but at the end of the day, as some of you guys may know by now, I want to see you guys live better lives in general, right? I want to see you guys be better people all around. So we talk a lot about some habits and routines and things that you can do off the charts that have worked for me and I've seen work for others, and then maybe you can apply those to your life as well. So yeah, it's really deep, and it's a bit deeper than trading. Time to eat is elite, period. Yeah, it's true. Yeah, if you guys have any questions on the elite program, message me on Discord. If you guys want to join the elite program, message me. We'll probably start like some sort of a waiting room come like later on in the month. But if you do want to snag that last spot that's open, you're more than welcome to message me on Discord if you have any questions. Nick, one question. When you're playing the breakout, why don't you put stops under the current candle instead of the previous? Sometimes we do, sometimes we don't. Yeah, like in this case we did. We put it under we put it under the previous 30. But like, let's say this hour candle, if we have a entry looking like this, we can't really keep our stops here, right? So we would use this candle. But let's say in a case like, I don't know, let's see. Let's say this right here, this example right here. In that case, I would put my stops below the previous candle. Yeah. So it just all depends on, you know, what the structure is looking like. But sometimes, so we either keep stops below the previous or below the current.
Boys,
one or the other.
I'm gonna hop off.
All right, brother.
Back and stuff. So love you guys.
Yeah, man. Hey, love you, bro.
Chat.
Yeah, love you, man.
Chat. Post your profits at Nick on Instagram.
At me, bro. At me. Cool, bro. Have fun.
See you.
Enjoy packing. I'll see you
See
later.
my boy.
Daniel, see you later.
Later, bro.
Yeah,
See you, brother.
Take it easy, young.
Hopefully his flight doesn't get delayed due to Instagram filters in the sky in New York.
Yo.
Austin got me going for 1 million funded by the end of the year now. Yeah. I'm gonna get 1 million funded myself. I'm gonna have some fun. Gonna have some fun with this trading thing.
Austin, how's that no job life, my man?
I'm sure he's liking it.
Full-time trader, my boy.
Has it been 2 weeks already? Sheesh.
Has it?
Has it? Wow.
There's no
I'm not
way.
sure. I have no idea.
I thought it was like 5 days.
Yeah, the one-on-one trading. Yeah, yep. It's 8 weeks though, so it's 8 weeks of one-on-one. Very, very in depth. Can you recap the trade with an analysis? Yeah, absolutely. I think that's a good idea. So let's take a look. Why did we take this trade here today? Well, we understood that this was our news candle, right? So we understood that the daily candle, let's get rid of all of this. We understood that the daily candle closed with no bottom wick. So when a candle closes with no bottom wick, we know that that candle may not have room to drive. We also closed right at this support level. So the sells were kind of sketchy, right? We said that in the beginning of the breakdown this morning, and we understood that if there's no range here, then where's price going to go? We closed right at support. So the buys were in the back of our mind, right? Now, if you look at the 4 hour, we were waiting because it was a bit choppy. Going down to the 1 hour and the 30-minute time frame, this is what we had, right? We had news come out. So let's get the markups back on real quick. Right, we were waiting for buys above here. We had this news come out. We did get the closure above. This was our news candle. We obviously weren't going to touch this. We wanted to let this thing go, do whatever it needed to do. But this is how the candle closed at 8:30. Now the next candle opened up, and again that 4 hour closed very, very nicely. Right? What could we expect the next 4 hour candle to do? You know, make a bottom wick and push on up. So once that 1 hour candle closed and the 4 hour candle closed, we talked about we need a bottom wick. And we wanted to see that bottom wick somewhere within this range here. Right? And the bottom wick did tap in there. So we set buy stops. Now, we set those buy stops just in case this ended up happening before 9:30. Right? Because we already established our bottom wick, so it was okay to now set those buy stops. Now what happened was the 15-minute was coming to a close, so we deleted it, right? We deleted it and added it right back because we didn't want to get tapped in, right? Let's say, because our buy stops were right here, so we didn't want this 15-minute candle to tap us in and close bullish, let's say with no top wick, right? Because then we would be a little screwed, right? Because now we don't know, oh crap, we got no top wick. So we didn't want to go back into drawdown, so we deleted it. Candle closed with a top wick, so we re-added it. And then I mentioned that, hey, if we don't get activated by 9:20, then we're gonna delete because I don't want to get pushed in and then have to deal with drawdown, and we don't know if this wick right here, we don't know if it wants to come all the way down. So why be in it for that drawdown, right? So at 9:20, we deleted the buy stops. Got rid of them. Price actually did push up, so it would have entered us into the trade, and then it came back down. So once this happened, now the 30-minute candle closed, and we had the seller replay that we were waiting for. So we added the buy stops back on 10 minutes later. We had clean traffic to the left-hand side, and this was the range that we wanted to take advantage of. And what did price do? It moved very nicely through this range at 9:30 when the volume was in. And that was another reason. That was the biggest reason we waited for 9:30 is because we know it's the New York Stock Exchange open. And when that open happens, volume dumps into gold and the dollar, right? So that's why we wanted to wait for the volume to come instead of getting in prematurely. And that was the trade. Very simple celery play, 30-minute, 9:30. We've done that many times. And then price flew up and it's approaching target. So yeah, but pretty simple trade. Just takes patience, right? It just takes waiting a little bit. Are there set times for the one-on-one? Yeah. We just take a look at your schedule. I'm pretty free, you know, after the session most days. So yeah, we try and stick with the same time every session if it works for you. But yeah, I also do one-on-one coaching calls as well. So those are just one call, you know. So we could do that too if you like. But yeah, target tap there. I have runners for 1974. Nice. Yep. Wherever you feel. This is my next revenue stream. Hashtag growth. Just good morning, brother. Just came on. Missed the trade. Hey, Bobby. Good morning, my friend.
Alrighty, I'm gonna head out.
Alright, cool, bro.
And I don't know if I'll be able to like soon, but this afternoon I should be able to. I'll see if I can't get it. I will, but I'll get a clip of today's trade.
Oh, we got a clip coming in.
Yes, sir. Try to get at least one a week.
One a week, yeah. Pretty soon I would like to hire someone. So if any of you guys know how to do this stuff, make clips. I got a new camera as well, so I'm gonna hook the new camera up this weekend, make it a little bit more clear, crispy, and I want to start doing weekly recaps. So every trade we take, we just recap it and we put it into one video that recaps every single trade of the week.
Yeah, that would be awesome.
And yeah, I think I'm probably gonna do some things here in the office to make it like a better YouTube studio, and start getting more content out. Yeah, I have a lot of ideas here that I could make content on. What I'm planning on doing, I started doing it, but my mic sounded like crap, so I got a new mic. But I have a lot of videos that I'm gonna be posting, a lot of just basics. So if you're like brand new to trading, I'm gonna build a whole playlist on my YouTube channel, and that breaks down from like the very beginner, like what is a pip type thing. So you won't even have to go to like baby pips or no more. Just they're gonna be quick, like 5-6 minute videos, but they're gonna be, you know, to the point and direct. So should be fun.
Yeah, that's awesome. Keep everything in one place.
Yeah.
But alrighty, I'm out of here.
All right, brother.
Peace out, Jose.
Peace,
I'll see you later, Gator.
Peace out, everyone in the chat.
Later.
Peace out, Tanny. Peace out, Nick.
Later, Sam. Have a good day, bro.
And I'm gone.
Peace. He's out. Hey, chat. 3,500 subscribers here today. Amazing. Beautiful.
We're
W.
getting deep.
W.
Getting deep.
You trade like Don Evo? Yeah, I learned from Don for the last 2.5 years. Don and Raja, yep. Yeah, the only difference.
Don't do 97 pip stop loss though.
Nah, the only difference for me is I just use like a 30-minute or a 1 hour. If you guys are on his stream like the last 2 years, I kind of stick with that. You know, I throw a little bit of my own stuff from my own experience, but yeah, the only difference from us is I think he's really focused on the 5-minute now, and I just stick with the 1 hour, 30, 15-minute time frames. Excited, yeah. Trade like Jose. I'm excited for you, bro. How many days per week during the 8 weeks? Usually like three sessions a week. Usually like every other day. That's why I limit this to 10 people, because you know it's a lot of work for me. So I don't want to, you know, I want to be able to give each individual the attention and time. So I just limit it at 10 people. Yeah. But it's fun. It's a fun 8-week journey. Mentally checked out, Austin. Yeah. Which prop firm do you prefer, Nick? I use my Forex funds, but I'm also looking into the funded trader, because my next step is I want to get $1 million account. So it looks like they have that in the works right now. Right now you can scale, so you can combine accounts, and I believe they'll put it into one account for you. But I think they're working on just having a straight up $1 million account. So I'll be patient, you know, I'll wait for them to make some moves on that over the next couple months, and then once they do, I'm gonna buy it and go from 100K to $1 million. I'm out. Have a good day, everyone. All right, Laurent, peace, bro.
See you, Laurent.
Peace. Thanks for the after action report. How many days per week? I think I answered that one. What'd you call today's setup? Today is a celery play. That was a celery play today. A lot of times you see us draw out the celery play looking like this. So you see the close above, and then we usually draw it like a bearish candle, but this is like a perfect scenario. You know, not every time is it gonna look perfect. But yeah, that's the celery play. Now, you may say, well, today it kind of closed bullish and a little bit different. Yes, but it's still a celery play. So it's not about, you know, if it closes bullish or bearish or if it breaks the wick. It's more so where is price closing above. And if we look left on the actual chart, you can see that we were closing above this level still. And if we were doing that, then very high chance for price to continue up. So yeah, that's the play we took today. It's a celery play. It's one of the 3 positions we take, and it's our highest probability winning setup. That's our best setup right there. It's like our Mariano Rivera, right? It's like our Clayton Kershaw. It's our best pitcher on the mound. My runner got hit 80 pips. Beautiful. I'm new here. What's the importance of wicks? Can you explain why it's significant in the previous day? Yeah, it's what a wick is it represents a range for price to drive for the next candle to go, right? So most candles, they look something like this, right? Where, you know, they have a body and then they have a top wick and a bottom wick. And what this is range for the next candle to be able to drive in. So that's why you'll see, or you'll hear the term the wick fill, because when there's a wick, that range will get filled and it will give you another wick, right? And then the next range will get filled. But when there's no wick on the candle, that means now there's no range. So this wick right here represented a wick so that the next candle could drive in. And then this represented breadcrumbs, right? Sometimes we talk about for the next candle to drive. Now there's no wick on this candle. So a lot of times what you'll see is you'll see the next candle wick up, activate a lot of buyers, but then end up closing bearish and continuing down, right? So when there's no wick, there's no range for price to drive. Now, I'm not saying that this is 100%, but taking a buy on this next candle becomes a 50-50 probability. So if a candle has no wick, it could still drive up. Like, look at this candle right here. It had no wick, but the next candle still drove up. It just makes it a less probability of it driving. That's all. It's nothing in trading will be 100%, but there's probabilities, right? And there's probabilities pretty much. So the probability of price continuing up, like if you have this candle close bullish, the probability of us, and let's say we're bullish on the day, of us going up becomes 85% probability we should continue up. But when a candle closes like this, then it becomes a 50-50. So it may push up, it may not, you know, becomes a 50-50, and we do not take 50-50 trades here. Yeah, we don't take 50-50s. We want to We want to settle down for the 80-20. Yeah, that's about wick. So some of you guys have heard wick fills. That's what they mean by that. But good question, K Robbins, and welcome to the stream. Hope you just continue to show up and you'll learn a lot. Maybe I should start with the one-on-one one time and then work on the 8-week. Hey, that guy TK, man, I'd love to sit down with you, bro. We'll have fun on the one-on-one.
Yo, my man, I'm at work. I will see you tomorrow. Beautiful day, Chad. Beautiful day, Nick.
All right, brother.
Another great day, and I will see you tomorrow.
Yes, sir, Tandy. Have a great day, bro. See you mañana.
Yes, sir.
Later.
Peace, Chad.
Peace.
Peace.
That's all she wrote. Oh, where'd Zoom go? All right. Yeah, I'll answer a few more questions, and then we will get up out of here. Let's see. Gold looks like another setup. Oh, I don't know, man. I'm done. Gotta head out. All right, that guy TK. See you later. What's the salary play? Where can I find and learn about it? Yeah, we'll have to make a video about that. I think I'm gonna make some videos about the playbook and about the setups we take, so you guys can reference that. I'm gonna start working on some content here. I'm gonna put my new camera up and start doing that this weekend. Maybe wait for another salary play on gold. Anthony, I am done, bro. I'm done, my man. That was the move. Settle down. This is it. This is all I cared about today, right here. Whatever else happens, I can care less. Price wants to go to the moon. It can go, but I'm not going with it. I already grabbed my piece, and that's it. Please mention time on your screen. Yeah, I will. Yeah, I'm gonna try and get that done on the overlay. Count with me. Yeah. All right, gang. You guys got any more questions? I think we're good. If not, we can call it a day here. Come back tomorrow for a beautiful Friday. What do you say, gang? Everyone good? Everybody good? Any more questions? Any more comments? Final thoughts? Lovely day. Yeah, I think we're good to go. If you guys can all like the stream and sub to the channel on the way out, that'd be amazing. But I think I'm gonna head up out of here. It's 10:40. Take your win and just be done, gang. Don't worry about looking for new positions today. You got what you came here for, and anything over or more than that would be considered greed. And we know that greedy traders are not winning traders. So take your money and go. Take your money and go. And that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Chat, love you guys. All the mods, Scott, Austin, Red FX. Appreciate you guys pulling up. Green, I don't know where Green is, but Greenery, I know he's there somewhere. Trade Like Jose, Z Gamer, I'll see you guys. Appreciate you, boss. Been watching your videos for a month. Oh, awesome. Yeah, there he is. All right, gang. Love y'all, man. Have a great day. And we'll see you tomorrow, bright and early. Peace.